There we go.
Whenever he's
We're now
ready, I'm
live.
sure he will.
Hello, everybody. Let me send
Hello,
out my
Slap Sushi.
stream announcement.
Oh, give me a second. I have to log into my YouTube control panel. Because I guess my Streamlabs got roguey. So let's go ahead and do that. Give me a momentum. Check my phone for a verification message. Yeah, sure, dude. That's me.
Yeah.
Nah, we're not doing that. Okay, we're signed in chat. Hello, there we go.
All right, now we're live. Got my Dr. Pepper. Got
Did
my.
you join the share chat?
No, I didn't. Do that.
Me asking if JW joined the share chat, knowing damn well he's not in the share chat currently.
Not crazy.
Uh-huh. And I can send out my going live notification as well.
There we go. Okay.
What a weird
Is that
song
so?
to hum. Yeah, it's a weird one to hum because it's not a song that I particularly like listening to.
Okay. What am I doing today? I wrote down a bunch of
What
stuff.
are you doing?
I don't know which one I'm doing. I was also thinking how... Oh, this is just kind of like a question I thought to myself that I don't know exactly the answer to. But how do we want to display, like, the relics? And in what, like, context could we show them? Like, could we make them something that would make sense? In the... Like, either that makes sense in the way that they're displayed, or that makes sense in, like, the universe, something like that.
So what do you mean in the way that they're displayed? That makes sense. 'Cause my first thoughts were like they would be somewhere along the side here, but that sounds like that's not what you want.
I meant like how you view them. Since we had like the binder idea for the cards, I was thinking like, how would we want them to show up? Would they want to be like in your binder? Could they be like pins or something like that you like stick in there, something like that?
Maybe in your binder, like pins. We could do pins,
Pins could
if
be
you
cool.
wanted to. We could have like Dante has a little pen board, or what are they called? Lapel board, right? They're like lapel pins or something.
No clue what you're talking about, but sure.
So lapel pins are the ones that you're thinking of, which are like the little pins that you can put on things. Like usually you see people putting them on their backpack.
Oh, okay. Put this on my screen. Yeah. So yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
And that would make it make sense, so that way, like, we can make them look however you want, and they could be all kinds of different
like a little
things.
felt board that they're on, and then you can pin them on that.
Yeah.
Which would be kind of cool.
That could be kind of fun too, because that'd be similar to like the stickers, where you can like stick them wherever.
Oh, we're going with a thing where people can stick them wherever.
Well, I wasn't thinking that, but like the way that maybe we don't have to,
I mean,
but
we can maybe do that. I don't know if it matters that much. Well,
yeah,
we'll see
maybe
how it
not,
feels.
just so that way like it's easier.
If it's something like that we had so that you could stick them, I feel like being able to go through and click on a relic or like hover over it to see which effect you're getting is like very important for that one. So being able to, if we did make it so you could stick them, you would have to be able to unstick them as well, so that you could like stop them from being overlapping or like move them around or something.
Or you could just make them not be allowed to overlap.
Yeah.
That was just a random idea. We don't have
just
to do
like
that
put
at
them on
all.
the board randomly as well. And
That's
then, like,
also true.
just have people be able to move them around.
Yeah, that also could make it so we
Anyways,
could have different sized pins too. Maybe. Because now, let me pull it up on here.
I'm gonna write this down because we're talking about this, and this is.
But yeah, because it's like not a big difference, but it just makes it a lot more interesting than just like, oh, here's random items that you collect.
Relics, which are passive upgrades that apply to the whole game, I guess, or like the whole of Dante.
Because I would think like maybe the size is like relative to the rarity or like power of the relic pin, whatever you want to call it. So like little ones would be not super powerful, and then you could have like really big ones that do really fancy things. I was also thinking I've been doing the Sword Timber pixel art prompts, and I made where is it? Here it is. I made one, and
What has been ruined for me?
Quibble had asked if I'm going to add it to Dante's 9, so I was like, wait, maybe I should.
Oh, wait, Quibble did?
Yeah, because I'd sent it in his server, because I just send all my art wherever to show people, because we love spamming every server with my art.
Yeah. No, I was just.
But now that I think about it, this could make a really sick pin, or like a sword from one of these could make a cool pin.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that someone had replied to that in your server, and I was like, was that Quibble? Did I like not notice that was him?
No,
yeah,
it's in his server. Yeah, I usually just like make the rounds with my art whenever I. It was quite fun.
On
okay.
Felt board type of surface.
Dante, like Dante 9. It's so real. Moaz, shouldn't you be like asleep?
Shouldn't you be like asleep? It's true. So, do you want to work on relics today, or do you want to work on?
That was just a thought that I had. I have
I forgot the term.
Some other things that I have too.
Hello, share chat.
So at some point soon, I want to make the slime enemy do stuff and exist.
I see.
It's only 1:40 a.m. Yeah, only. What else did I have? Eyeball enemy. I also want to do at some point. I think I want to do a slime one first. So those are just like things I want to do at some point. Oop, I do not want to open up VS Code. Thank you.
Did you pull my changes, by the way?
I did not pull your changes, by the way.
That you should be able to pull.
What are those changes? They're very important.
They are the laser and...
it says unable to pull changes.
Yes, you need to stash these, I'm assuming.
Oh, okay.
We've got changes that need to be stashed.
But I already have stashed.
No, you just hit the restore button. That's not what you need to do. Uh-oh. We'll see if that's a problem. So... Oh no. What did you do? I can't even read what that says.
It's fine. Everything's fine.
He pressed the button. He just pressed buttons without asking what they did first.
That's fine. All good.
No merges? Okay.
We're fine. Everything's fine. Surely everything's fine.
Let's find out.
Let's find out.
Soggy Croissant adjacent furry. That was in my chat before it got shared.
Okay, I was about to ask.
I forgot to share it. Yeah. So...
Meow.
Sorry. I had a couple of things that I wanted to...
Oh yeah, well I was gonna go through the things that I also wrote down. Where did I put them? Were they in here? I also want to do the train at some point soon, because I definitely think we should have that for the playtest. And I really don't think that's gonna be that hard. I think the hardest part is making it look cool.
Okay. So, okay, here's the new question. What do we want to do with the mini-map?
The mini-map.
Because, or at least the full map. Because currently we're just zooming in whenever we turn the mini-map on. We want it to be more...
Yeah, it'll be like the Gungeon one where you can like scroll around and like click on things.
Yeah, okay. So do we want it to be... so the game probably won't pause while you're in this, right? Does Gungeon pause whenever you're in the mini-map? I don't think so.
I don't think so. I mean, it's not like you're going to be opening the big mini-map like in combat or anything.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, you can't.
Yeah.
Ideally.
Yeah.
So whenever you're scrolling around with the thing, what do we want these icons to look like? Do we want them to be more detailed and closer to what the room actually looks like? Or do we want
no, it'd just be the same
as this and make it closer to the actual? Okay, and if they have a teleport, or do we want to be able to teleport to any room, or do we want to only be able to teleport to certain rooms?
You can only teleport to certain rooms, but you can teleport from anywhere. So you can only teleport to rooms with stations in them.
Okay. I see. Okay.
Also, I'm not sure if we want to do it like this, but for Neon Abyss, which is somewhat similar to our design for like the levels and stuff, they actually have the teleporters in just like passive rooms by themselves, where you don't have to like fight enemies.
Oh, like just a specific room just for teleporting?
Yeah. So I'm not sure if that's something we want, or if we want to, you have to fight to get to it.
Yeah, we will likely make the big map more... So the big map will probably be closer to what it is in Gungeon, where you have just kind of like this like section of panel where there's like a something behind it, so it separates from like it's not just like a floating image.
Yeah.
I guess like I could show that off in a moment, but yeah. Also, hello Devos. So it would be kind of like I guess I'll just do a quick little representation. So it'd be kind of like a panel like this, where it cuts off anything outside of these bounds, and you can kind of like scroll through the map. I don't know how we want to do that scrolling. I'll be honest.
I think it just disables your mouse input from looking around and make it control the
I'm gonna
map.
find out what they do.
That's exactly how Gungeon does it.
I do like that. So it disables your mouse input, and then you can click and drag.
Yeah.
Specifically left click.
Yes, I think.
Okay.
Borderlands 4.
Yeah, there was a fucking advertisement for that. So it does feel a little weird for me because I intuitively want to middle click to drag.
Maybe it's middle. I don't remember what it is.
I mean, well, it could make sense to be left click. I just want to hear what your thoughts are on that.
I don't remember what it is. I
would be like
either. I don't really care. You can also scroll in and out to zoom in Gungeon.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick start. So whenever I open this up, okay, see, you can click. So it disables your aiming.
Yeah.
And then whenever you let go, I've never noticed that it just does that. In Gungeon, it is just left click. Middle click doesn't do anything. So yeah, you can kind of zoom around this. Yeah. So my next question is, what about controller? How does Gungeon do with controller?
I'm pretty sure it just... map. I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'm guessing the other one? Left trigger? Right?
No. Left trigger is map?
How did I know it was left trigger? It's crazy.
Ooh! That feels ass cheeks. Oh my god. It's so slow with the right joystick. Oh, you can also do up and down to... there's like buttons up at the top left.
Interesting.
Yeah, you can apparently select item with... Oh, because you can drop items. Yeah, sure.
Well, that's so weird that you drop items from the map menu.
Yeah,
I didn't know that.
Know that you could even do that.
I didn't even know you could do that.
I didn't know these were selectable. I'll be real with you. That's weird.
Literally just learned that too. I know you can drop guns, but I didn't know you could drop items.
I can't select guns. Okay.
There's like a separate key to drop the guns.
F.
Yeah.
If you just tap F, it lets go or something. Or
I don't remember how it works at all.
I think you have to hold it. So
it's weird.
To confirm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna toss some notes about the minimap. Into general. We'll just put this like minimap should be its own panel when I guess like full map should be a panel that you can scroll around. I guess I'll just put this under like a general like map rework. Tab these out. Full map should be a panel you can scroll around. Scroll wheel. Sorry, you can pan around. Scroll wheel should zoom in and out. Clicking teleporter should teleport. Obviously. What else was there about the minimap? Controller support.
Yeah, controller.
Shortcuts to next previous teleporter.
Okay, let me look at what I had that I wanted to do. I'm a little slow today, but that's okay. It's actually not okay at all. Oh yeah, I also wanted to draw a sticker capsule dispenser at some point, just for fun.
Gotcha machine.
I don't know what it looked like, but we'll figure it out.
Oh, it's because my controller's still doing something, right? No, my Windows is just like fucked up right now. Very cool. I can't click on anything.
That's pretty cool.
Windows, I fucking hate this operating system, man. There we go. Okay, let me see what this ping is. Is this...
Oh yeah, then if I have time, I also want to work on the green area a little bit. The poison swamp.
No, it's
with poison everywhere that will poison you.
Have you opened the game back up yet? Does it run?
Oh yeah, I opened it. I didn't see if it ran.
should make
Too
sure
busy
about that,
staring
yeah.
at my
Simple changes.
Godobot relics, pins, whatever.
Taking a long fucking time.
Well, that's probably because I have like, I guess I don't have that many scenes open. But
Yeah, not even that many scenes. You just have some scenes open.
yeah, my computer sucks. Oh, they're long.
Oh, those are very much longer trails than what are on my side.
And the particles are doing funny things. Oh, it
Yeah,
might have
the
been because I
particles are strange.
changed them. I think I changed some stuff.
Yeah. So my question is, can you check the spark particles whenever you get a moment?
Yeah,
See
I
what
will.
your trails are set to. I'll show you what he's seeing, by the way. So this is what it looks like on his end, with the particles being very, very long. Whereas on my end, they are much more reasonable length.
Yeah. I also think the movement does feel a lot nicer now. Like I like the speed. I mean, it feels a little slow at first, but it's definitely much more manageable.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like I'm
so
like
as well.
flying all over the place. Okay.
Yeah.
Player.
So it's the player spark
player?
particles.
Player spark particles.
Under visuals, or no, I guess
Yes.
yeah, it is under visuals.
So let's say.
So it's a section called just trails under drawing.
Yeah. Yep, 0.05.
Yeah. What's your sections is 8 and 4.
Life.
That's really weird.
Let me check
They
if
are the
I
exact same settings.
change it and make it go back
Yeah,
down.
what if you changed it to like?
To make it longer. That's so weird. If it seems like there's like a. Some of them are really short, but some of them are. Is it maybe the speed of the particles, or yours like that slower?
No, they should be about the same. I don't think I made any.
Let me go
changes
through all of them. Can you scroll up to the top?
Yeah.
Let's see. Preprocess 2, speed scale 0.5, randomness 0.3. Wait, go back up real quick. Found it.
What's up? Oh, you have your FPS.
FPS.
Fixed. I see.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so I guess you
that's
can't.
an interesting reason
we
why
can't do.
Oh, because it's moving a lot further in the. Yeah, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So
what if we did like
much
10?
longer.
Yeah, that's already 15. Yeah, 20. Let's try 20. It's 20. Okay. Even that's a little bit much. Let's see. What does it look like? 30.
So
Yeah, I guess it's fine.
game
30.
runs, assuming. You spawn in laser pointer and make sure it works.
Oh yeah. I forgot you added that.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I can work on making that look nice too.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, if you want to.
I have some ideas. I might need some help because I don't know how you're actually rendering it, but.
It is just a lot.
Whoa. Yeah, I don't know, it seems... Yeah, it's good. It almost feels a little weird that it's like... Maybe once we add like sounds and effects, it'll be better. But it does feel a little weird that like can be a little bit inconsistent with how long it releases for.
Yeah. It's a little... Yeah, because it kind of just like stops, but I don't...
Yeah.
100% know how we would want to indicate the amount of time left for ticking. It also doesn't go as far as it should. Oops.
Oh, yeah, why doesn't it just have like infinite length? So let's go see
What
how
am
it
I doing?
feels.
I was too focused on what you were doing that I didn't even think about what I was doing.
That's okay.
I guess, you know what? Fuck it, I'll add some minimap stuff.
Oh, nice. It doesn't do anything.
Yeah,
oh, also,
the flying guys,
if you if you get really close, it looks weird.
Yeah. Yeah, the visuals need a little bit of work, but yeah, no, it should work on the flying guys. Those
okay,
guys,
why doesn't it work on the other guys? Oh, that actually feels kind of sick.
I fucked up. Because it's colliding with the body of the other guys, not the hitbox of the other guys.
Okay, interesting. I can't jump up to this. Oh, I can barely. It feels nice on the flying guys. The sound is very satisfying.
Yeah,
yeah, so I think like with the laser sound and like effects, it'll be really nice.
So, what is this? Oh, I wish that this was something that I could view in here. I'm gonna
One thing that I think we really need to add at some point is a way to detect if multiple of the same sound are playing at the same time, and to reduce it to only one. Because with certain cards, there's some if you hit like 3 enemies at once, it makes like a really loud hit sound.
Oh, yeah. I see what you're saying. Like with the
Yeah, but like the pumpkin card is probably like the worst offender on that.
Yeah. If I spawn like a bunch of dummies here. Yeah, I see what you're saying. I understand.
Ooh, does it work on the worms? Ooh, it does work on the worms. That's very satisfying. Oh, also the hitbox is a little funky.
Oh, the pumpkins are also just broken in general, but yeah.
Wait, what do you mean they're broken?
If there's multiple enemies in the spot that it hits, it spawns candy corn for every enemy that it hits.
I didn't realize that.
Yeah, it's an issue of mine.
That's kind of goated.
Well, actually, that was always an issue.
That honestly could be a funny thing to keep, but nah.
So,
it's probably a little too niche to be a fun bug.
Minimap nodes, right? Minimap node LTSC, and I'm just gonna add a couple of these here. Oh, thank you. Very cool. Wow.
Although at some point, should keep track of like funny bugs, because funny bugs can make for good content. I'm a content-pilled
He's a
YouTube cell. What do you mean?
If this doesn't stop crashing every time I make a change, I'm gonna.
I got an error.
What is it?
Constant speed. No invalid access to property or key. Constant speed on
what is
object.
Self? Or what is body?
Self.
Sorry.
What is body?
Bottom.
What?
Yeah, on the right.
On the right?
On the right, the variable.
Oh, this.
Use on body. So what is body? That's. Okay. Can you see what the path is? Like, just hover over it. Just hover over it.
Projectile.
What does it say?
Projectile.
It just says projectile.
Yeah. It was when I think it was when I tried using the Meow 36. Are you adding projectiles to that?
Yeah, the Meow 36 doesn't shoot projectiles right
now.
Oh,
okay. Okay, that's fine.
That can be fixed by.
I forgot you changed that too, so I'll try out the pistol.
Yeah, the pistol. I need some tweaking.
Oh, I like that much better.
At some point, I want to get rid of the old abilities as well.
Yeah.
The old abilities are still there and need to be killed.
Also, we need to change the sound for the pistol. It's way too, like, impacty. Yeah. Like, that'll be good for, like, a big revolver or something like that.
Oh, I'm still on some quick vision. Oopsies. Well, it's fine. I haven't done much anyways.
Where is... I'm gonna increase the charges of the card, of the pistol.
Looks like...
Because it doesn't have enough.
Add a color rect back here. So
is it still just called card gun? Yeah, it's still just called card gun.
Yep. Maybe change that to pistol if you want. You're gonna have to change the preload somewhere though. Because I think you're preloading it somewhere. Oh, you're not changing the name of the file? Okay.
No.
Fair enough.
Just changing the charges. Well, let's try 8.
That's not how the fucking thing is. Center. Up. And then run you back to the back. I'm doing UI work, kind of.
Let's go, we love UI.
Like less of an egregious color.
Yeah, I think especially with this background change, the fog definitely needs to be changed. It looks really bad now. Even not counting it weirdly glitching around. Does that do that for you too? Or is that a me problem?
Well, you also changed the FPS of that fog, I think, right?
I might have.
I think you did. So what I want to do is I want to introduce some sort of panel back here. However, I'm noticing an issue, which is that... So there's a sub viewport container which renders the minimap, and the texture rect is what actually masks it. Let me think about this for a moment. How do I want to change this? Because I would like to be able to pan this around and show what's in here. Which which I think
I also really
actually...
like increasing the charges on the card made the mana cost to feel a lot higher, which I actually like. Or at least feels like what I think it would feel like to be playing like earlier in the game. Like I think the card should improve with how much like mana recharge and size you have. Because like before you could basically just shoot through you could basically shoot through an entire card. Wait, what?
You said increasing the charges made the mana cost more or something? What did you mean?
No. Well, yes, it didn't.
What
like,
did you mean?
I meant to use up the entire card costs more mana because I added more
like
charges.
the effective mana cost of the entire thing. Okay, I see.
Which it limits how much you can use it, but it feels better because it doesn't feel like it makes it so you actually feel the mana cost. It doesn't just like let you use up the entire card immediately, which I think it should like early on, and then later you can buff your recharge speed and max mana to make that card feel even better and to be able to pretty much use up the entire thing whenever you want to.
Makes sense.
I think we should also increase like the speed rate of fire for like the pistols, so you can like, if you have enough mana, you could just dump the entire thing in like a couple seconds. Yeah, I definitely like the projectiles a lot more. Let me actually try it against a actual enemy though.
I love UI in Godot. This is actually not a meme. I actually do really like the UI in Godot.
Yeah, the projectiles feel so much better. I'm very glad that we swapped. And it still needs a few little adjustments here and there, but the new movement also feels great. Obviously need a little bit of a level design rework, but
yeah, can you even make it up? You can make it up to the top platform of that, yeah.
Of this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I might.
We could also add like a couple different styles of jump pads, like maybe green ones that don't launch you quite as high, or that launch you higher. So like just one that does like a little bounce, one that does like a really big bounce.
Maybe. I'm not sure how you feel about that.
I don't know. Maybe some of their traversal tools too.
I think having it be a consistent thing kind of feels a little bit better. Just because then, I mean, we can play around with it, but like having the consistency of something kind of feels correct to me.
Well, I mean, the one would be consistently one height, and the other would be consistently the other height.
Yeah.
I just think it would
arbitrary
allow for more level design variety, but we can figure it out. That's not like a hard thing to add or remove if it's bad.
This piano container, I'm just gonna make you like not as visible for now. You're gonna be like half visibility.
The gravity feels so much better too. Like if I'm falling and there's bullets flying at me, it feels a lot easier to like move out of the way. Before you kind of just like drop like a rock and it'd be impossible to kind of steer where you're going. But these you can't get back up from.
Yeah, no, that's broken a little bit. You get more and more annoyed by the control nodes and the theme the more you use it. Really? I feel like I have like a greater appreciation. There's definitely like some sticking points that I'm just like, oh man, this fucking blows. But like, for the most part, I'm like, damn, this like kind of rocks a little bit. This makes my life a lot easier. Like, I mean, I think I should just be able to reparent this. Well, I guess this should be a center container. Yes. Center container. Which we're not. Okay, hold on. Add center container so that you go here. And now you're in the center. Cool.
I should probably stop playing my game and like work on it, but like it's too much fun.
Yeah. I mean, that's like a good sign, I guess.
Yeah.
Where the fuck did everything go? Where are you at? Why are we not rendering?
I really can't wait for the next playtest. I'm trying to think.
It's a little terrifying, but yeah, I also can't wait for it. Oh, thank you.
I feel like I want to maybe do like a little bit more publicity for the playtest if I can.
Yeah, like posting it online or something.
Yeah, like more people, like talk about it more before we release it. Because I definitely think this is hopefully going to be indicative of what the final game will be like. Because like the ones before was kind of like we're trying to figure stuff out. What's going on?
Yeah.
Like, do you like this? Is this good? But now I feel like we have a solid idea of what's fun and what people like, and that we can really try to get more people that will like the game rather than. So it's kind of more testing to see if people like the game instead of if we like the game. No, that's not. I had like an analogy, but then it was like really bad.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck you're talking about, but yeah, no, for sure, dude.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, I was just thinking that. I was like, man, I really hope that whatever you said is correct.
Maybe I should just go bald. Maybe I can talk better if I'm bald.
Ooh, that might be the play, actually. You should like shave off all your hair. Right now.
Yeah.
Why not? I can just make this.
I do need a haircut though. I'm starting a new job on Friday, and I should probably get a haircut.
Whoa.
Where do I get a haircut, chat?
He said the word. Why is this on?
Job. Employment.
Hold on. I need to think about this for a moment. How the fuck do I make this exist? Does it need a sub viewport? Will it just do things if I say sub viewport here? Oh, cool. That's not at all where I expect things to be. Why is that down there now?
Meow.
Something is fucked up, I think. Dude, I actually don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know exactly how I want this, how the sub viewport stuff would work. Because why? The sub viewport is like, oh no, okay, you're just gonna update now. Oh sure, you render fine now. Now that I've moved you
are so
over.
confusing. They confuse me. But that's
yeah.
okay.
So if I move this back up to this container, it works fine. If I move it down to this container, it works fine. If I move it up, okay, sure, dude. Whatever the fuck you say, I don't really care that much. I actually care so much. But now, let's say that there were other nodes out here. You're not going to render, but I could increase the sub viewport size to be that. Oh shit, you're going to be annoying, I think. 2D side of the 2D size overview.
Let me think.
This,
Haircut store, so real. I agree.
What is the purpose of size 2D override?
I love when someone joins and their first chat is just them saying haircut store.
And
that's kind of my favorite part of streaming. I did want to see now that I forgot to think. Oh, you have debug stuff. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Is this supposed to snap?
Shift.
Oh.
Field shift.
Whoa! Look at that.
Yeah, because before it was fucked up, and now it's like actually showing you where things will be. You can also remove that debug message if you search for console.print. I forgot to remove it before pushing it up.
Oh yeah, did I push this up? I don't think I pushed up the oh, that was some weird lag. I don't think I pushed up the extra particles when you kill them. Did you see those? Oh.
Nope.
Oh, my thing disappeared. Oh, it's because oh, now it's back. There's some weird stuff with the cards still. Oh, I have 2 of them now. Oh, and oh, this is a new bug.
Yep. Why is the sub viewport's effective resolution by this value of preserving its values can be used to rendering off then?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
There's a few little issues.
A few issues, not that many though.
Did you change any stuff with the card stuff?
Nope.
Okay.
Not really. I mean, kind of.
Okay. Really. I wasn't sure if you like changed anything with the deck that would make it crash. I'm just trying to see what more effects we want when they take damage. I'm just trying to visualize how it might look.
Okay, sub viewport containers.
Let me turn down the time scale.
Send me just a little bit.
Time scale. These debug tools are so cool. Like, they make me happy.
Thank you. Thank you.
So let's see.
Copy this value to here. Paste. Oh, cool. Yeah, that's what I was hoping. I was really hoping that you would be there.
Oh, that's really...
And there's nothing.
What the... That's weird.
What's up?
When I looked this... Oh,
what the fuck is that?
I was confused. I was like, why do I keep disappearing? And then I realized it's because I just got hit, and it was the invulnerability. And since it's in slow-mo, it takes really long. So I was like, why do I keep disappearing? I may be a little bit stupid.
So there's no way to tell the sub viewport where the center point is, right? That's a little bit annoying, I guess. Canvas items, no. Physics, no. None of these would be based on the center point. There's nothing about center in here. No. There's nothing about origin in here. No. There's nothing about viewport. Viewport, no. Okay. Little annoying, but whatever. How would I put this in the correct spot? I mean, these could actually just be control nodes, right? Is there a reason they're not control nodes?
You know, playing the game in slow-mo is actually kind of sick. I really do think that the biggest thing to add impact to hitting them is the knockback. I really think that'll do the most.
Yeah, that might be true. I'll be excited to see that. Okay, so I can just set this to the... Oh, that's gonna be so ass. But whatever, I can do it. And if I move this back, you're gonna be fucked up because you aren't set to the default size, and then this needs to be moved back to 256. Yeah, okay. Do you know about the center point? You do. Center point stop position is viewport dot size. Why are you... Viewport.
Yeah, the new particles look good. I also... Let me see, that's one thing I can fix real quick. The particles that I added from the... when you kill enemies, I just copied over the one from the shooting of the flying guy. Actually, let me check that one as well. You're gonna yell at me for this, but it's like not even close to pixel perfect and it looks terrible. The pixel size is like so tiny compared to the rest, it looks really bad.
I hate when motherfuckers bring up pixel perfect.
Like, no, it doesn't have to be pixel perfect. It just has to be like within a reasonable range, which it's not in the slightest. Okay, let's see. Where's the flying guy? Where is the flying guy? Oh yeah, we love flying fire projectile enemy. What a creative name. Let me slow down the time.
Viewport container. Viewport container.
Wait, can you set the time scale to negative? There's nothing you can do. Yeah,
no,
like
I have a... Well, you can, but it doesn't do good things. It's not... You can't do that there.
You can't set it to 0 either. Like, just look at these. They're like a fourth of the size of every other pixel.
Okay, dude. Well, then draw some particles for it if you want.
That's what I was gonna do.
Artists. Why am I so hungry? Oh my god, what am I trying to do? So I want to reparent subviewport to the subviewport container, and then I want to assign out things. So I'm going to say func show map, and it's going to pass in the subviewport.
What size is the hitbox for the bullets? They feel a little... They could be a little bit smaller.
Smaller than... It's pretty close to the size of the bullets. I wouldn't mind turning them down.
Yeah.
I think they're whatever they've been before.
Yeah, okay. They could definitely be a little smaller, yeah.
So subviewport, I want to say subviewport dot size is equal to, and then I need a size of this container. So I'm going to call this export var.
Does this guy actually work? I wonder if the poison guy still works.
Is equal to main size. Okay, so subviewport size is going to be that. Great. I need you to know about the center point. Ooh. Which feels a little gross to do, but whatever. Export var, center point, node 2. Center point position is equal to something part size divided by 2. Yes. Yes. Oh, I need to reparent subviewport to.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna stop playing the game in slow motion, even though it's really satisfying, and I will go actually work on things.
So we're gonna move this over to this guy. Then we're going to say your size is now equal to the main panel size, and then we're going to move the center point to the center of the subviewport container. I think that sounds right.
Yuganiku soundtrack is like just so peak.
This is going to break.
Where do you have particles? Particles. Do you know what the smoke particles that you use for the shooting are called?
Called shoot particles.
Shoot particles. What a creative name.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, sorry. I should have made it less consistent.
Yeah, that's true.
Why is this not... What am I doing? Why is this not a fucking, on a canvas layer? Am I, like, stupid? Chat, is Billitic stupid?
Yeah.
I don't know why I wouldn't just put this on a canvas layer.
Show in file manager. What managing that file?
Actual, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I want. Where is it?
Okay.
Because I want to open it in Sprite.
Oh, you meant the texture. It's probably called shoot.
It is called shoot particles, yeah.
Export bar. Full.
Oh, why did it open up a different Sprite? Oh well, whatever, it's okay. Okay, so I think what we can do... so these are, I think, 4 times too big, approximately. So I think we can fix it. Let me just go double check. Shoot particles. Is it shootparticles.tscn?
I don't know, find out.
I'm pretty sure it is. Look at that. So you scale. Where are you? Scale. So your scale is from 1 to 2. Yeah, okay.
What the fuck? Do you not do anything with the viewport size? Oh, it's down here.
So yeah, we can start by reducing the size by 4. Sprite size. 25%.
This is not even called, is it? I don't think it is. No, it's not. Okay. Let me double check and make sure that that is the case. Hopefully the game doesn't crash. Maybe it will. It didn't, however, that looks terrible. Okay. No, these functions are called. Oh, it's on the player, isn't it? No. Even worse, it's on the hand. Under... What? Who's doing this? Minimap animation player? Oh my lord. What a terrible, terrible thing I've done. We're gonna kill that, I think. That's
over.
It's very much over. I would like to change this, please. Func is expressed as if input is action just pressed. Minimap.
Wait, how many frames does this thing have? Before. 2, 3. It has 6 frames. Okay, I'm not going insane.
Is exit
Wait, I just discovered that you can drag the blue lines in the canvas size editor to change the size of the canvas, and you don't have to manually type it in.
Lord, did you know you can do math up there in the width and height field?
Yes, that I did know.
Why did you get rid of the empty frame?
Oh, do we need an empty frame? I didn't realize you needed an empty frame. I've never used a...
There so that it appears. It's for whenever the particles are animated so they don't stay on the last frame forever.
Yeah, I have never used animated particles before. because I couldn't figure out how they work. Because why the heck do you have to like put it in the materials or whatever? You do something weird with the material.
The shader side.
Okay. It's still weird, and like I would not have looked there ever. Okay, let's see. So does this look good now? So look, those look terrible now. So now we can scale them up by 4. There we go. Look at those. Look how much better those look. Look at them, perfectly scaled pixels.
I hate this motherfucker.
Like those actually look great. I think they do at least. Oh yeah, remember when we were gonna make the jellyfish card and we just didn't? That was kind of funny.
Yeah.
That's okay.
I didn't know that. Oh lord, this is doing a lot of weird shit.
Open scene. Enemy death smoke. You are too small.
Okay, that almost works. That's fine. I just need you to do a couple of different things. Okay, so now what do we do? So this is going to be the mini map container. Yeah. Add export card mini map.
Okay, let's try that now. See how this looks.
Put mini map. I'm going to script them here. Called mini map, which is a script that I believe already exists. Apparently not. Class name and mini map extends control. I'm ready. What do we need you to do? We need access to the sub viewport. Yes. No.
Oh, that looks so much better. Let's slow it down a little bit.
You need the sub viewport container. And I think that's it, technically. Let's look over here. Show map. Okay, sure, dude. Show map. You will take in sub viewport. You will reparent to the sub viewport container. I might make this a little bit cleaner in a moment, but sub viewport has size 2 size by 2. Or no, sorry, size. I guess you do need access to the export card center point, which is just going to be a node to be center point. Position is equal to sub viewport dot size divided by 2. Yes, is this literally the exact fucking code that I wrote a little bit ago? But it's fine. So minimap is this one. Full map is this one. Full map knows about the viewport container and the main panel and the center points. I will clean this up in a moment, I promise. Once I get this to work. So we'll just do minimap.show and minimap.show, I think, right?
Playing this game in slow-mo is so fun. Let's try out the pistol. Here's a pistol.
Okay, does this work? I don't actually know if it will. Let's find out. Hide this ugly ass panel. Okay, I think that works technically. How would you zoom in a sub viewport? Can you put a camera inside of a sub viewport?
I don't know.
Can I do that? Or would I just have to move everything around?
Get CS heals in normal time.
Oh my god, you can. Oh my god, you can.
The what? What did you do?
I put a camera inside of the subview. Well, that's not going to work. Oh, because
I
it's
also
not
do
part
need to rework the worms at some point because they're very hard to edit for reasons.
Weird.
Yeah.
It's not working. Now it doesn't want to work, and I don't understand why. Is it because I reparented it and so Doe lost the connection?
Oh, I forgot the sword's bugged.
I see. I can move this then, right? Like if I were to say move to the right, like 500 pixels. Okay, so I can do that. Oh my god, that's actually so fucking sick. Okay, I know what I can do. That's actually really useful. I'm glad that Godot lets me do that. So these guys will be in control of that. I also would like to maybe make this on a canvas layer.
Yeah, honestly, I don't know how the heck we tolerated the old speed, like movement speed, because even this now feels kind of fast. I feel like combat could maybe even be slowed down like a little bit more. It's not like, I think it's fine how it is. I feel like it just could be slowed down a little bit for maybe ease of like actually playing the game. But we'll have to see. I think that's something that
I think we should test it out.
Yeah, I think we should just try to design things in such a way that that's easily tweakable.
By the 9, I'm tweaking.
Yeah. Like I think enemy movement speed, like their attack rate could all be a little bit slower.
Node 2D, right?
I think we probably just like overtune things a little bit because a lot of times when we were testing, it would be like, we're just gonna try out this one enemy in the room at a time. And obviously that's pretty easy. But when you have like 4, it could still look crazy.
So,
like even just 4 of the flying guys could be a little insane.
I understand now. I understand what can happen.
Oh, I did also want to... that's good for that.
Oh, hold on. We're using our brain for a moment.
Oh, that's the first.
I know. What if instead of moving the center point, we moved the camera? Oh, shit. Oh, I know what I can do now.
Whoa.
So I was doing this thing, or we were doing this thing where we were tweening the node position, but the center point could just be wherever, and if I move this thing around, it should affect the actual rendering, which I guess it's not going to show that here, but like if this was at 0, 0, let's say, and the camera was at 0, 0, I think that would just render, right? Question mark? Potentially. Yeah, it does. If I move, get rid of this tween real quick. Yeah, so it doesn't tween anymore, which is fine. What if I were to instead, until that get tween, which I don't remember why this is a thing, but I guess I do, kind of. I think there's like default tweening parameters that I wanted to have because tweens are very, very often the exact same thing. Why am I doing this? Why am I not just like fucking changing this to be about the keyboard camera? I want to change its global position to be the same as the current room's position. I guess it would just be position, right? Well, actually, let's do global position now. That makes more sense. Export buffer viewport camera. Camera 2D. So if I go into this room. Oh, it tweens. Oh, beautiful. So I'm not actually moving the nodes anymore. I'm moving the camera to pan. So
Whoa.
camera. So if this was the full map, now we have an issue, which is that we need to move the camera, which I will also clean this up in a moment. Var, port, camera, or well, you should still be pointed at the same thing, right? Or we have so many port containers. It's under level, empty start room, there, and minimap, minimap, format layer, format, map, all the way down. You are currently at 0, 0, and the center point is at what? You are moved over to the right, I remember. You shouldn't do that anymore. And also... you shouldn't do this anymore either. I forgot to eat before stream and now I'm really hungry.
That's awkward.
Yeah, a little bit. Okay, sick. That works like exactly as I want it. So now I need to tell the camera that it can control itself by doing this. So, let's see. Physics process if input that is action. Well, we'll do this. Func input. Next, we'll do it unhandled. If input that is action. Gross. It's called standard attack. Also do our mouse event. Mouse event, input event mouse. Is equal to event as input event mouse. Motion specifically.
Okay. I love refactoring animations.
It's a lot easier to do if you do it inside of like Visual Studio Code, I've found, because you can edit everything at once. But it's also like a little...
Yeah, the issue is you have to be like smart to do that, which is like a little bit of an issue.
I honestly don't think that's the case. You just kind of have to...
I love frog music.
You have to figure it out, I guess. Okay. So
what the...
What?
I don't like that.
It's going the wrong way. Well, it's because it's just going the wrong way.
How's the dev going?
Yeah, that was going great.
It's going
See,
great.
look at that, JW.
Okay, that's actually kind of cool.
Yeah, and then I can make this var target position is vector2.0. And I could do target position, and then I could say physics process.
Guess this works.
And I can do target.
No Bitlytic logo on the splash screen. Yeah, he's like...
Sorry,
we don't know who he is.
I see people are typing in chat. I'm locked in for a moment, so I'm sorry.
I might actually add that. I should probably add that.
Alright, so this should be position equals position.
Alright, Bitlytic in the smallest size I possibly can in the corner.
21? Question mark? Who is... Oh, hey, Jose. How's it going?
It's okay, I
That's
hate
going
you
great.
too.
No
Thank you.
logo on the splash screen yet. Just because...
Oh, you mean yet? That's okay.
That's gross. Yeah, that's moving a little bit.
Yeah, I'm not sure exactly. Honestly, we should probably figure that out, how we want that to work. Because I mean, like...
the logo stuff?
Yeah,
Or-
just in general, like how we're referring to who's doing what. Like, are you part of Tempura Cat Games, or are you just like an additional person that happens to be doing some programming? Which, like, you're not really, because you're kind of doing a lot of it. So it's like, I feel like you should be included.
That's kind of a funny one, Jose. Yeah. I don't know, honestly. I don't know whether I'm part of Tempura Cat Games or if I'm part of just a
Yeah,
contract.
I think either way, it's like, I mean, obviously, you are going to be credited as much as possible. It's
Really?
how.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's your payment, is you get to
You know,
get
the
all the
last I
credits.
checked. Okay, this is news to me. The last that he told me,
Mhm.
he was like, "Yeah, dude, I'm actually like taking all the credit. You're not getting anything for this game."
But I didn't say
And,
that.
like the main
I
reason I,
didn't
work
say
on this
that.
is because of ransom stuff.
I mean,
Yeah, is the
but,
background
like,
full black? It is full black. So yeah,
Yeah.
you're right. We could just set this to like a 2-2, and then oh, why are we
Wait,
drawing?
what the-
What was
huh?
that? Can I just do 2-2-2 in here? No,
what the heck is 222?
very low. Why are my clicks going off sometimes in here? It's weird.
We don't know.
Select font. You can't just use a default font. Yeah,
Nope.
you can.
Mhm.
But Silkscreen should be installed on my computer. Yeah, there we go. See, it's Bitlytic, but it's like really, really small.
Just gonna go right there.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, nice
I need to
one.
make a new layer.
Yeah, I made this one a while ago. So I think I actually made this in a different program originally. Beautiful.
go.
There we go. As it should be.
Yeah, 2222 is it's the hex code for just like a gray.
Oh, wow, it's gray.
Because we talk in hex codes because we
Yeah.
are cooler than you.
Do you like my
There's
Godot
also-
logo though?
There's some weird colors around the place, and I don't know where they're coming from.
Oh, I think it's maybe
There's
because
like anti-aliasing on something.
I know I did some like scaling with it, I think. So it might have done some funky things when I scaled it. I don't know if I made it bigger or
These are
smaller.
slightly different colors by like the least amount.
Yeah, that would be because I scaled it, I'm pretty sure. So maybe just some weird stuff with scaling. We'll probably I'll make a better splash screen for like the actual game.
Why is my A sprite's reacting weirdly? Whatever. Oh, it's something on my fucking drawing tablet. I think that might be it.
I don't know
Or
hex
maybe
codes at
something
all. I
like
just
that.
know that like colors are cool, and I can
It's-
tell you what color will look nice.
Sorry, you're a designer, so half your day has to do with hex codes. I mean, that's like. I was gonna say the dream. It's not the dream. It's the dream for you, I'm sure. It is not the dream for me.
Yeah. Okay. So this
Okay,
does work.
this camera. That's very interesting that this just works because I did not expect it to. Weird. Oh, there it goes. So this should be the center. Yeah. So I just need to make this so that whenever.
Feeling slow today, but I'm feeling productive. I feel like I can do stuff for a while, even if it takes me forever.
Camera targets is
Okay.
Oh my god, my stomach hurts so bad. I might
Eat a
step
snack.
away and eat. Yeah. Oh
Yeah,
my lord.
I'll
it's-
probably eat something later. I didn't eat very much dinner.
Uh,
I hate eating. It's like, why do you have to eat? Just like,
Camera.
why can't I just live?
No.
Come on.
Current camera target is equal to that, and then I can say you current camera target. And then whenever I do this minimap thing, I can pass in the current camera target question mark. Well, no, I think I can just grab the camera and
Alright.
say, "Hey, dog, it's
Export.
time for you to."
What if you could do an on-ready export?
Why the fuck would you ever do that?
Because I love
the fuck
using
would be the
on-readies
purpose?
when you don't need to.
An on-ready export? You're insane.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you know how hex codes work, JW?
Yeah, hex codes basically
Oh,
break
shit,
down into
this is-
intensities of red, green, blue. So RR, GGBB. Yeah.
I'm gonna murder
no.
you. Like I see that in my chat. And I know why. Like I know that you read that out. I saw the
I did
message before you
not.
started doing that.
Bro literally said the exact same thing that I did. Wow, bro's copying me. That's genuinely insane. Fix your chatters, man.
My chatters? Jose's not just a chatter to me. He's also a viewer.
Chatter.
I know he has the stream up.
Derogatory.
He adds +1 to the viewer count.
Yeah, that's true. It's true. You should open like all 3 of our or all 2 of our streams. Wait, you're streaming on Twitch and YouTube, so all 4.
All 4 of our streams.
All 4 of our streams at the same time.
Mm-hmm. You should actually only.
That'd actually be kind of fun to do that and see like how the delay compares. Like when do you get the noises?
Mm-hmm.
Could be fun.
Wait, what am I trying to do? Oh yeah, I want to tell this.
I didn't even write out that entire variable. I got distracted. I'm very good at focusing.
Active.
Let's see.
His YouTube channel should be in my
What do I call it?
or my description, like down
This is
below.
the help component. Do you ever just like start writing something and then forget what you're trying to write? Or is that just me because I'm like not a good programmer? Okay.
That might be the one.
That's what I thought. I guess he makes that export category. Or no, export.
I guess this should be
Is group or category the drop down one? Group.
What?
Group's the drop down one.
Yes, group is the drop down one.
Yes,
Category is
I
the
knew it, I
overall
knew it.
one, like between Node 2D and Canvas.
I'm so smart.
Let's go.
Whoa. Hello, Jose. There's this random guy in my chat. I've never seen him before.
Oh, welcome in, Jose. I hope you enjoy your stay. Oh, that kind of rhymes. That's kind of bars.
Yeah, it's kind of bars.
I guess I could also say viewport camera dot target position is equal to the same thing.
You also get a stream avatar now, so that's why you should always join my stream. You get a little guy. Don't let your stream almost just crash my computer. How? Huh? How does that work? It's YouTube. It can't be that bad. Components. Export.
Okay. Do we have bindings for scroll up and scroll down?
Yes.
Do, right?
Chrome fully froze. Wow.
Hand up.
I'm that bad.
Hand up and hand down.
Yeah, you can
Man.
change those if you want. Although, yeah. No, we don't want. I am just struggling to code right now. I'm thinking about way too many things at once, and I cannot type. I tried naming the variable the class name of the type that I was trying to make it. Okay. Can't be that
I guess,
hard.
you know what? There's a cool pattern for anyone in chat that's noticing something.
Hmm?
So I have to do viewport camera.tracking equals true here and false here, which is based off this if check is maximized. So what I could do is I could just pull this out of the if check and assign it directly to the is maximized variable. Maybe. There's a few other things I could do. Like I could choose which map I want to show and then assign that out to a variable as well, but we won't do that.
Biddy, I'm starting to think. There's a lot of components that I've made recently that are going to be on pretty much every enemy. I guess that's fine.
Sure.
I'm just like, is there a better way we could do it? So we have the Gibbs spawner, which that I'm pretty sure is fine. But I also have death particles, which are like the blood particles, or like smoke stuff. And then now I'm adding the slash for when they get hit. So like, oop. Like we could maybe group those together. I don't know. I mean, I guess it's fine to just have them separate. It's not that hard to just like drag them in, because most of them just drag it in, give it the health component, and like that's basically it.
Yeah.
Okay. I kind of convinced myself that it's fine.
Yeah, I do see what you're saying though.
Yeah, I think it's something to keep an eye on.
Thing,
If we end up adding like more, we should think about that. But most of them are pretty simple though, so it wouldn't be hard to group them or anything like that. Oh wait, no. Health. Empty? Oh wait, no. I'm just forgetting how to code entirely.
I think this is where if input.is action just. Oh, this might be released for scroll.
Ooh, wait.
Or what is it called? And up. And up.
If you do play on an animation player without any parameter, what does it do? Does it just automatically play the first one?
It will replay the animation if it's not currently playing.
Oh, okay. What do you mean? It'll what? It'll replay the animation? What if
So if the animation has stopped playing, let's say it's a non-looping animation, and you call .play, it will start the animation over again.
What if there is no animation that had been played before?
Then it won't do anything, I think.
Okay. So I can bind things to a callable, right? How does that?
Yeah.
So I would.
Yep.
I need to unbind the first one because
what?
I'm getting it from the health empty signal, which passes in one thing. Then do we do .bind? Does that work?
I think you want to do .bind first and unbind afterwards. Okay. It makes no sense to me. I think it should be the opposite order, but that's how it is.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. What is this called? Actually, I need to rename this animation now that I think about it. Because it should not be called idle. Wait, no, that's not the right animation player. It should not be called right particle. That is a dumb name. There we go. Okay. We unbind, and then we unbind.
First we bind, and then we unbind. Sorry. Kind of terrible, I think. Let's get rid of the curve for now. I'll just keep it simple, stupid type shit. Well, actually, what if I were to... I guess this can be time insensitive, it's fine. Target is equal to clan.
Bind my favorite Valorant map.
Can we stop talking about Valorant in chat, please? I looked over for a moment.
That's
for
like
a flicker
evil.
of like my lifetime, and I saw Valorant and I got angry.
Yeah.
Please keep the Valorant talk out of the chat.
Maybe I should
please.
just open
I
a
will
Counter-Strike
get angry.
case on stream just to like
Wow.
prove that Valorant's
what an
worse. Can you gamble in Valorant?
Not really. You get like a daily shop that you can rotate through.
Yeah, that's actually so lame. No gambling. Like, what are you even supposed to do?
I like that you refer to Bind as her. I really like that, by the way. Very, I don't know, it just feels fitting.
Okay, enemy hit particles.
So I need to make the zoom a little bit more sensitive. I guess I could probably just do like times target zoom, right? Like I could probably just do this and then it would be consistent throughout. Oh, I've never considered that, but I guess it is just like consistent if you do that. That's really cool, actually.
I'm also I'm adding.
You're recovering.
What is this? Enemy slash?
So proud of you. What's up?
Action area. Oh, is that the damage? Enemy slash is the attack.
Yes.
Okay. I'm adding a VFX node to the enemies to hold on to all the like components that handle that getting hit, like effects for getting hit and things like that.
Okay.
Let's test this out first.
Am I getting called? Fuck off, burn. I like having an area code that nobody else that I talk to has because, like, it's not even the same as the rest of my family. So whenever I get called from that area code, I'm immediately like, yo, dog, you don't matter to me. I promise. And guess what? I'm always right. If there was anybody from that area code that I knew, I would have them in my contacts. So any other number, I'm just like, get out of here. Get out of here. I would like to give this a border. What is the best way to give this a border? Because you're a panel container. but I think that you're like really pissed and you automatically have a margin, don't you? Like if I were to add like a texture rect, I think setting this to expand. Yeah, you have a margin.
So you're trying to set it the panel to have a...
So the panel does have a margin.
What are you
I
trying to
don't
do?
want it I'm trying to add a border. To this.
Border to that.
Yeah, which I don't believe you
To the
have a
panel?
texture that is
Couldn't you
border.
just
Yes.
add that as a texture? You could just add a 9-patch rect border really fast in Aseprite and just put it in there.
Yes. So a 9-patch rect border. So here,
You can
if I had
put that in as the... You don't need a 9-patch rect. If you go
so
to
I
the
want
panel...
back. Yeah. Oh.
And
yeah,
you go into
like a
styles.
style. I see what you're saying.
Yeah, you can add a style
Texture
box.
and then make
Yeah.
this a 9-patch. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I guess we're going into Aseprite. We're gonna love this, I think. You have something's just called panel, right? Fuck off dialogic, get out of here. I'm thinking about like, I wish I could like GD ignore that file or something, but
I mean, we
can't.
can literally get rid of it. We don't need it.
That's true. I would love to get rid of dialogic from the
We
project.
can get rid of like half of the add-ons probably.
Yeah, a little bit more. But
Maybe.
yeah.
We'll see.
What is the panel called? It's not inventory panel. It's also just not in here. Is it under
It's
UI?
probably under UI, yeah.
Well, it's not. I froze my Godot.
I can find
I
it.
opened up the input prompts.
What's it called?
Oh, there we go.
Panel? Yeah, it's just called inventory panel.
It's not the same thing.
Oh.
Right? It shouldn't be.
Yeah, it is called inventory panel.
Inventory panel doesn't look like this. It's the
What are you looking
stuff,
for?
and I'll show you. It's the one with the rounded corners.
It does have rounded corners.
This thing?
That's...
Is it tinted?
I don't
Is
know.
that what we're doing? Because it looks, if I look at the one called inventory panel.
Can you just open up the inventory scene and look at it?
I am. Oh, well, I was going to open up this because this doesn't look the same.
No,
right?
that's not it.
That's what this is. This is inventory panel.
Oh, it's... Oh,
Unless
it's
there's a different
inventory
one called-
panel V2. Sorry.
Oh, I see.
There's
It
also
looks like an
V2
unloaded
outline.
texture.
Yeah.
I see. I can't just drop that in. Why did I think that would work? Yeah, just open up another bucket. 8 Windows Explorers.
Yeah.
Another 8
let's
Windows
go.
Explorers on my PC. I see. So if I wanted this to happen, yeah.
I'm struggling to write like a single line of code without getting distracted.
Just like mute me on Discord or something.
Nah, that's lame.
That might be the play though. Oh, this is scaled by 4. I'm angry. Modify contract. I did 5, so this should be 20. Sure, dude. Oh, and you're not going to be actually a circle brush, are you? I told you to be a circle brush, didn't I? Contract, circle brush. What? Dude, I hate this, right?
Oh wait, I'm stupid. I'm dumb. I messed this up. I need to spawn in the particle or the animation because the enemy gets deleted the second you touch it.
Yes, correct.
Correct.
Should this not be... Is there not like a way to feather a selection in Aseprite?
To do what?
To feather a selection.
What do you mean by feather?
To kind of like taper off the corners, to round the corners of a selection.
It's pixel art. You don't round things in pixel art.
What is this then, buddy? What is this fucking thing? I'm just curious.
That's called me
What is that?
manually rounding the corners of the pixel art.
Yeah, so what I'm talking about, is there a way to do that without doing this manually and doing this thing and then fucking scaling this up and then...
No.
Except this needs to be fucking pixel perfect, so like, honestly, I'm better off just selecting this.
Wait, why?
And like... What? Oh, that's not
Now that I think about it, why is that so big?
Because it's a 9-patch rect.
Oh, okay.
So it has to be large, or else it doesn't work.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
It's not even 4 times. It's like, or no, it is 4 times. Sorry. I do a square brush.
I could do it for you in the original file. It didn't send it to you. Is that pixel perfect?
Way. Yes, it is. Don't worry, I literally just checked it.
Okay. You could also set the grid size to be however big those pixels are, and then enable the grid.
And I need this to be partially transparent on the inside. So you should be writing code right now instead of staring at what I'm doing.
Sorry, I just like it's.
I know you get distracted.
It's pixel art. I have to look at it.
I get it.
I have to look at it. It's pixel art to make sure you aren't doing things wrong or weirdly. Sorry. Okay, what do I need to do to this? Because I messed this up. So we're going to need. So we have the death particle spawner. We're going to need. Oh wait. I just realized. No. Yes. No. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Ooh.
That's wrong. Well, because of axis stretch. Oi. Oi. Shouldn't you be coding? Why are you looking at me?
Huh?
Why are you looking at my code? Or what I'm doing?
Me?
Go code. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, I accidentally clicked on the online docs button and then I tried to close it and then I got distracted again. I'm very good at my job.
Your job. Let's see. This a job.
Job. Employment. So what's the best way to do this?
I'm gonna explode.
So I think this is actually okay. We can keep this. Need to adjust you. So on ready, instead of doing that, we just want to automatically play the animation. We want to randomize the rotation. And then play.
If your artist ever comes to you, anybody in chat, if your artist ever comes to you and says, we're going to make everything scaled by 4, kill them on the spot. I think.
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
I think it is like the moral obligation that you have as a person.
Mm-hmm.
As a human who values the existence of other people. I think it is your moral obligation to kill them on the spot.
Yeah.
Scaled by 4. Yeah, so everything in the game is scaled by 4. Yeah. Except for UI, which is sometimes scaled by 3. Don't really know the rules on that one just yet, but
yeah, that's just because sometimes it looks better.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty standard in web digital design as well.
Yeah, so the problem is, this isn't web digital design, this is a game that you would likely like to change assets for a lot, and it's a little harder to scale things by 4 because you actually have this certain things in Godot you can just do by scaling up like the scale over here by 4. However, for certain things like repeating textures, you have to actually have the texture itself scaled by 4, which is cognitive behavioral therapy, to say the least. Oh, cool. That's not what I want you to do at all, actually. Let's make you this blue.
Oh, wait, no, I don't need to do that.
You go crazy. Well,
I am a moron.
Crazy.
Who likes Dr. Pepper? I'm drinking Dr. Pepper right now, chat.
That's viewers.
Any Dr. Pepper fans in chat?
The Bannovator, so you won't see it.
Oh, I don't get to see the best viewers?
Nope. So why is there this margin up there, buddy? I need you to like... It's because of this. Expand margins. I need you to like fix yourself before you make me upset. Because I'm going to get upset if I have to do this again. Okay, does this look right? It does. I can actually see the margins now. I'm just gonna... Actually, I'm not gonna pull this off to the side because I can do this inside of the editor. People know how this works. Oh, you are not the way that I thought it would be. There's content margins. There we go. So this tosses it forward. 20 4 pixels will be the correct amount. It's off by 1, which either means it needs to be 20.
Question for you. When you're making like a node that spawns in other things, do you prefer to just make it a node that just has a script attached to it, or do you prefer to save it as a scene so you can easily add it in other places?
Sorry, what?
Actually, now that I think about it, you don't. So in let me think. For the death particles that I made last time, I have it as just a script that I add on to a node 2D, and then that script takes in like the particle scene and then spawns it in.
Okay.
Would you prefer that, or would you prefer that the spawner is a scene itself? Like, it would be exactly the same. Do you think that that should be saved to a scene by itself, or is just having the script be fine?
I think having just if it is just like, let's say
if it's just a node with script, yeah.
If it is just a node, nothing else going on, it is just a script usually, because you can do. If you didn't know, I guess we'll add this. So if you can tell us the name of the class up there if you have a class name.
Oh, if you have a class name, you can do that. Okay, so I should do a class name for that, and then you can. Oh, okay. Because I just thought of that too. Okay.
Can you get in the habit of doing something for me as well?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You go ahead and do your class name, and then I'll.
I can't type.
Yeah, you got this. What's the last name? You got this, man.
Hold up.
So
where's monkey type? Hold up. Give me a second.
Can you double line 3, 6, and 10? So in like the spaces where you have the new lines between like the function and the exports, make sure it's double.
Yes. That I try to do that. I just didn't here.
Because it just makes it easier to see the division.
Okay. We got this.
Jose, would you recommend Figma for someone like JW? Like, do you think it's something that would benefit us for game development? Sorry. Let me see. Sorry. You have a random question. Sorry. No, that's fine. That's what I'm here for. You're trying to be optimal in how to code in Godot. You're not going to be. I'm not going to be. There's no optimal way to code. However, I can answer your question regardless. For interaction, you create a script, inherit this to your objects, and then each one has the signal connector and do stuff thanks to the signal. Is it better to make an interaction component instead? So it depends. Inherit this to your objects, and then each one has the signal connected and do stuff thanks to the signal. I tend to make an interaction component on the player. So I don't think we have one right now yet.
Wait a second. I'll let you finish that, and I have something.
Okay, yeah. Eventually we will have an interaction component on the player, which will handle checking for interactables in an area and being able to handle whenever the player presses the button and whether or not they can currently do it. And then we would have an interaction on the player, an interactable on the object that is interactable, rather than extending interactable from the object itself. Because you don't really know what something is going to be. Because if you try to make it like a generic node, like if you want to attach it to like a character body, and then eventually you're like, oh, well, I want a static body that's also interactable, then you're going to have an issue of like, you have to downcast your base class and do like some weird shit. So I tend to make a component specifically for interactable. Okay, what were you going to say, JW?
I realized that I can actually simplify this and make this usable for other things as well by, instead of making them specific like an enemy death spawner or death particle spawner, I can just make it an on death spawner and then just have it take in a generic scene and then have it just spawn it in and set the position when the connected health component is out of health. And then I can also do the same for on damage. So that way we can just connect this to anything that we want to spawn in a scene when you take damage or when anything dies.
Yeah.
So that makes...
I do have a question.
Mm-hmm.
What's the reason you're unbinding on line 11?
That's because health empty returns the last attack, I believe.
Okay.
I don't remember why we do that.
One thing you could do instead. Yeah. So what you could do instead is you could get rid of the unbind and add a parameter inside of instance with an underscore health so that it knows that it's not used. like underscores, or sorry, it's an attack. You said it gets passed in, right?
Yeah.
Then yeah, you would do underscore attack, attack.
Oh, underscore attack.
Yep, and then you would get rid of the unbind.
Okay.
So what this does is this tells us that the parameter is there and that we are choosing to ignore it.
Okay.
Either way works. It's kind of up to preference.
Mm-hmm.
There's a couple of benefits. Like one, you don't really have to worry about the underscore attack, but also if we ever wanted to expand this class, it won't really apply to this one. If you ever wanted to extend this class and utilize that parameter, then you would have access to it. Like, for example, maybe you wanted an on-death spawner that spawns a character body 2D, and that character body has a velocity based on the current, like where the attack was and where it currently is. You would be able to use that attack variable by just extending this class.
Yeah. You're right. Okay. Cool. So now we can just copy this and make an on damage spawner as well.
Yeah, I mean, you could do...
We could, I guess we could have them in both the same thing and just have like a toggle or something.
Yeah, I mean, you could do a...
You can do like an export enum or like a... Is there a way to do like a...
Well, so what you could do is you could just have like a death spawn thing. And, well, now we've got a lot of ideas. Which are like unfortunate because it's cool. I'm gonna put you on stream real quick.
Yeah. I can zoom in on this a little bit so it's a little bit easier to read.
Yeah, so one thing that you could do is I might just buy you Nitro, honestly, before next stream. Because it is so much harder to read your code whenever it's like this. So you wanted to create an on damage component or an on damage spawner for like stuff, right?
Yes.
So what you could do, so you could create an on damage spawner, and have it completely separate. Totally fine.
Yeah.
You could have, instead of just a generic spawned object, you could have a damage spawned object, or like a damage object, or like something like that, and a death object, and you could check if that is present, connect the health change signal, or if it's not present, connect the health empty signal. Do you understand what I'm saying or no?
So are you saying the object that you pass in here would say if it's on? No.
So
okay, no.
You would have two export variables.
Yes.
One for damage and one for death. So you would have like an export damage object at export death object.
Oh, actually, I like that. I do like that.
And then you could choose, because then you could also have both of them.
Yeah.
Can I run another idea by you?
Yes. I think I might know what you're about to say, because I was thinking...
Okay, and go ahead. Let's see it.
Okay. no, I could be wrong. But I was thinking... I mean,
it's totally fine if you are.
Yeah, what if it was a dictionary, so that way you could pass in multiple?
Ooh. Almost.
No?
Very close.
Oh, okay.
I would be a dictionary.
Oh, I guess it would just be an array?
Could just be an array, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, do that.
Well, I was thinking it'd be a dictionary, so that way you could tell it if it's a death object, and then you pass in the object. So the key would be if it's either death or damage.
So that works. However, that kind of requires you to do a couple of more things. So let's experiment with this really quickly. So if you want to just like toss down a new line on 4 and then do like export var and then like death objects, we'll say, with an S. And then make that an array of packed scene.
No, it's square brackets.
It's bracket squares, yeah.
I am so packed scene.
Scene.
I feel like my coding is slow, but my brain is fast today.
So, go ahead and find a scene in the file browser that you want to spawn on death. Not there. So I hit the trash can.
Oh, the trash can.
Oh, you undid it. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Here?
Yep.
Enemy hit particles.
So you can drag that directly. Oh,
this one. No, wait.
Yeah, you can drag that directly onto the thing where it says array packed scene.
Oh.
So then you could have an array of damage objects as well. And then you could loop through those and spawn those as needed.
Yeah.
and then you should be able to get rid of the... so now what you want to do is you want to check if there are any...
Oh, so you don't need
if
these
there's any objects in
Oh,
death
wait, no,
objects.
we still need health component.
Yeah. You can check if there's anything in death objects. If there is, connect the health empty. Check if there's anything in that damage objects. If there is, connect damaged.
Yeah, I feel like it's like almost overcomplicated, but it's so cool. It is good design.
Angry soggy croissant winning. Yeah. Sorry, let me... Sorry. For now, it's on a 3D, and then I extend this. This logic looks way easier for me.
Oh, also Jose was saying some stuff in my chat. I'll check that out in just a second. I'm sorry, I did not see that.
So I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing this wrong. I want to say Nuha. So you say you're a beginner. My recommendation then is just do it the way that you think it makes sense. Do it in the inherited way. Do it in the simple way. Because what you're going to find out is where that breaks, and you will kind of understand why you would want to use the other way, or maybe it works perfectly for you and it just works better for your brain. I personally use composition a lot more. However, there are cases where inheritance could be better. There are people that could be better with inheritance, but it also doesn't really do you that much good for me to just say, use this and don't even try the other thing, because then you don't get like an intuitive sense for why you would use the other one. Don't do your loop there, by the way, JW.
Oh. Okay. If I loop through it and there's nothing in it, does it just pass over the loop?
Yes.
Or do I need to check if there's actually anything in it first? Okay.
Yeah, it will just pass over the loop.
Okay, so I can just say...
Why are you looping over objects right now?
To connect them, to connect the signals.
To connect the signals.
Yeah.
So...
Oh wait, what am I doing?
You can figure this out. There's a better way to do this.
Okay, I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, do you want me to give you a little bit of guidance, or do you
I'm not sure.
Okay, so your idea was
that
you were going to connect a signal for each individual object, right?
Yeah.
So what if instead, let's modify the instance function first. Yeah, we'll start there.
Yeah.
So add a new parameter to this of objects, and it's an array of packed scene.
Okay.
Forget your colon.
Yeah.
Call your ass Outerway 12 that you ain't got a colon.
Insane.
So, and then down here, so if you kick down a line, we will do for object in object, or I guess for spawned object in object, or whatever you want to call it.
We'll do object in objects.
Yep. And then you can kick down those 3 lines, like you can tab them over.
Oh, okay.
And then change the variable to just object instead of spawned object. Like the...
Oh.
Yeah, on the right of the parenthesis.
Yeah.
Or on the equal, yeah.
Is there something better I could call this? I guess I could call it spawned object.
Oh, yeah, that's usually what I do.
Yeah, I could just watch this. Wait, watch this. Oh, that didn't work.
Yeah, because it selects any occurrence of the thing. However, you could have hit Control D to select spawn to object, and then Control C to copy it, and then you could have just went wherever you needed to and pasted instead. But
okay, yeah. Oh, I didn't realize that if you
it'll
select
just select
the
full variable.
That's actually useful.
Very useful. Yeah. So in your health
Yo,
component,
it's Jeff Bezos.
Holy shit! Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Hello, everybody.
Filippo Calipo.
Oh, that's the wrong one.
Also
hey, everybody. Northern
Mr.
Line here.
Jeff.
Welcome back to Binding the Isaac.
Binding the Isaac. Oh yeah, Jose had said stuff in my chat. Let me check. It said he's talking to odd context here. I don't know what you use to make the pixel art outside of Sprite, but I wouldn't recommend Figma for that. So it wouldn't be for making it. But he said would recommend it for preparing other assets and deliverables. It helps visualize everything in one space.
Let's see.
Okay.
Oh,
don't quite understand if that would be useful or not, but maybe I'll look at it.
So, check this out, JW. I added this. I made it so this was pixel perfect without having to export this at a 4x scale.
What's pixel perfect?
on my Obsidian.
Oh, on Obsidian.
The
Okay,
canvas.
I don't know why I thought that was VS Code, and I was very confused.
Oh, I mean, it's very similar. It's also made in Electron. But yeah, yeah, so we can toss in, if you wanted to do UI designs in here, this would be like, I don't know if it'd be easy for you, but you could like place things in here and then do designs. There might actually be a plugin for that, but we'll figure
Maybe.
that out.
Yeah,
I was just
I'm not sure the best way to do that. Because honestly,
so back in here. Oh,
I don't see what exactly I would do in there that I couldn't do in Sprite.
It would allow you to just toss, like, you would be able to split up your UI into
Figma is free, just open it.
Yeah, I know it is. Let me see. So, do you have Sprite files in here? I'm hoping so.
No.
No.
Honestly, at some point, I might go through and put all of my Sprite files in here, so that way you can access them. Because, yeah, right now I have them in a separate folder, and I just export out everything into here. So let me add that to my to-do. I'll just do that at some point.
Okay. Yeah, if your UI is set up in different layers, you can export those individual parts into their own textures, like the way we would normally do it in a programming thing.
Yeah.
So like, because in Godot we would have those separate textures, you can export it like that, and then put them into the Obsidian canvas so we can play around with those individual parts and see if they work well with each other. And we could like kind of mock out the way the UI will be designed in here.
Yeah,
but
maybe.
We'll figure that out.
Yeah,
could also do that in
if I'm understanding
if you're going to be pushing up the files into the Git. Can you send a link here? I believe you
think
should.
You can,
If you can't, just send it to me on Discord and I'll post it. Ideally, you should be able to just send it.
Yeah. Okay.
Back to your code.
Yeah.
So, what are we doing here? Do you know?
Wouldn't we need 2 of these? One for the death and one for the damage?
Almost.
No?
Almost.
Okay.
So why do you think we're passing in the array as the second parameter? Best viewers. Kill them.
Best viewers. Let's go. I don't know. I might be stupid.
Okay, that's fine. So, first thing is on line 11. So let's just go ahead and do a return out of this and make it, if not, health component instead.
Wait,
so, like,
what?
Yeah, just add a not before that.
Oh, not.
That way, if there's no health component, we just return out, so we don't have to be like nested over. So go ahead and new line and then back. So we're going to check. We can do death objects. We can do we could do that. So if we just want to connect it like blanket, just whatever, we can do health component. And then dot like health empty, I think is the one that it was. And then dot connect. You got this.
Start.
And then we'll just pass in the instance function. So this is not going to work. But whenever the health is empty, that means that it's the death objects. So what we can do is we can do dot bind. And pass in health object or death objects. So when the health is empty, we will pass in the array of the objects we want to spawn. Then we can do the same thing with the health change or the. So I believe it's attack received, something like that.
Yeah, I think it's health changed.
It's not health changed. There's a different one. There's like
attack received. Yeah.
And then you could bind in damage objects instead of death objects.
Yeah.
So now you can drag in the amount of variables you need into the array.
Yeah.
And it will do that. It will just take care of that.
Okay.
Does all of that make sense? Is there any questions you have?
Yes, that makes sense.
Okay. Also, kill one of those lines, 15, 16, or 17.
Which one?
Any of them.
I'm closing my eyes.
What do you mean closing your eyes? Okay.
What? I couldn't pick which one. I didn't want to be mean to like one in particular.
Okay. Yeah.
So
that should be kind of how the way you.
So it's
just kind of like that.
We don't need you anymore.
Well, hold on.
That was the new one. That was the new one that I'm making.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Don't worry.
Because I saw that there was an export. There was a components group there.
No. That I need to change that out.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's see.
You're in my server, right, Jose? Still, I'm assuming. Oh shit, my thing went dark. Yeah, we can talk about that.
Yeah, that'd be
I was
cool.
just thinking about Figma as like a thing for him to design UI in a way that we could both kind of like mess around with it. Unless I kicked you, I wouldn't kick you, Jose. Come on. Do I seem like a guy who would kick you out of my server?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, probably.
Yeah. Okay.
Um,
So I think the Gib spawner is still going to. Let me look at the Gib spawner code.
1000%.
1000%.
Oh my lord, dude. Jose thinks I hate him. What the fuck? Crazy.
Yeah, I mean we could maybe change out the Gibs to add them to that, but it's easier to just have their own thing because what I already have set up here, it works. It might not be perfect, but it works, and I don't need to rewrite it because I already did it once.
This doesn't.
Not again.
The container itself doesn't do anything, right? Like if I just set this to container, am I like insane for thinking this does anything? Oh, it does do something. Well, it might not.
Oh wait, what?
Oh no, it does.
What am I calling this? What should the class for this be? Should this be like on on
like
damage or death
no,
spawn?
not that. It should be like a health, like a reactive spawner. Health reactive spawner is coming to mind. Like something health something or like
health reactive spawner sounds good, I guess. Sure.
Me whenever something doesn't sound good, but I have to say it sounds good anyways.
Yeah. I guess we just rename this here too.
Oh, and you're being a bitch, aren't you?
Health reactive spanner. No, that's not. That's not it. Spawner.
Spanner. Okay, this needs to be up now.
Okay, now you we can rework.
Because you can be a center container, mayhaps, and then.
Oh, we also have to rewrite this a little bit. Oh, we're gonna have to write a new script for you.
What is it?
Because it was originally using the just the regular particles script, but for this, I want them to rotate in the direction that they get hit. Because originally I was doing that in the spawner. Now I need to do it in the actual thing itself.
Wait, you want them to rotate in the direction they got hit? What do you mean?
In the direction you're aiming. It works the same as the Gibbs. Where the velocity that they move in is in the direction.
Yeah, you could probably, if you want to change that in the one-shot particles class, the actual one-shot particles class, not whatever this is. Yeah. So do Control P.
Control P.
Yeah, one-shot particles. There's 3 of them.
Which one?
The one that has the longest amount of code is the second one.
Okay.
Yes. So you could add an export variable in here called like. Well,
I don't think that'd really be worth it. Because I don't think it's going to be used that much.
Yes, but the problem I feel like is you're going to be writing a lot of this code again, kind of. Maybe not, but like...
Yeah, that's fine. Like, I think... I really can't think of anything else that's going to use this unless I add other particles. Like a different type of particle when they get hit.
Other particles, oh god.
Yeah, I know. Kind of insane.
Imagine other particles. There's no way you're going to do that.
Let me look. Let me just look at this.
What is the difference between T-res and res? Honestly, I don't really know. To tell you the truth. Are these
Nobody knows.
human readable files? Maybe not. They aren't. Well, maybe not. We'll see.
Oh,
yeah, so
look at
res
that.
files are binary res, I guess. Whereas T-res is like a text res.
Text res.
That was my guess, and I'm glad that it worked. I'll look it up though. Godot T-res versus res. I want to make sure that that is the case.
Yeah, we'll just make this its own custom thing.
Yeah, cool. Dude, I love taking a guess and just being absolutely right. .res.
Oh, let me look.
Res is binary format. T-res is text format.
Okay, you need to be renamed. Where are you? You are Death Particle Spawner. That's not what you are called anymore.
What am I doing? What am I doing? Why am I sitting here?
You are
Textures.
called Health Reactive Spawner. And we will also rename...
Whatever. You're pissing me off.
Wait, what did I... Oh, okay. It just reloaded it. And you will also go in a different folder. What folder should you go in? Components? Health Reactive Spawner.
Oh, yeah.
Since it can...
opponents.
Since it could be used by anything, not just the enemies.
Yeah. GW, how
Okay.
was your shift today? You're being asked.
How was my shift today? I did not work today.
Yeah. It doesn't work.
Yeah, I didn't work. I did draw a cool sword earlier, though.
That's basically working, yeah.
Yeah, it's basically work. I'll show it to you. Look at that. Look at that cool sword.
Here's this.
It's pretty
sword.
cool.
Check this out. Look at that.
It's very cool.
It's pretty cool, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. And I will draw another one tomorrow. And I will draw another one every day for the rest of September.
You're gonna say for the rest of my life.
No. I mean, maybe. Also, I was told that I need to add this to Dante's 9, so we kind of have to now.
Yeah. Did you say you sent it to Gwiz's server or Quibbles?
Quibbles.
Okay, I thought so.
Yeah.
I wanted to make sure.
I'm not in Gwiz's server.
Really?
Yeah.
Bizarre.
#1 Gwiz hater. No, I'm kidding.
That's not true.
Yeah, I'm #2. Biddy's #1.
Yeah. No, I'm not.
No.
Either. I think Gwiz is pretty cool. For the most part.
Yeah.
Gwiz is pretty dope. It'd be cooler if, I don't know, I was gonna say something funny, and I was just hoping that I'd be able to figure out the joke by the end
Yeah.
of it, but I didn't.
No, I'd be like that sometimes.
I was really banking on, like, my brain just, like, figuring something out before I reached the end of the sentence, and surprise bitch, I got there, and I had nothing to say. What am I even doing this for? Oh, yeah, I remember why I'm doing this. You shouldn't have a background anymore. Not G,
Okay.
W, that, delete, save. Have an empty background, and then a color rect.
Where my
which will
one-shot
be
particles at? We're just gonna copy paste this
one-shot
entire thing.
mentioned.
One-shot particles.
You can say show behind parent. And then actually you will say, you won't say clip children, you motherfucker, because of that.
There we go. Look at that. All we had to do was add one line. I feel like I'm over-engineering every single part of this, but that's okay. That'll be nice and reusable for like the 2 times we reuse it.
It's gonna be reused a lot.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can tell you that right now.
I know, I'm joking. Because yeah, now we can add effects like if the player gets hit, things like that.
Yeah, which I think we should. I think the player needs a little bit more
Hello, Wilson.
reactive information that they've been hit. Hello,
Streamer, my monitor needed to have the power unplugged and plugged back into work. How do I fix this? It sounds like you fixed it. Yo, is that JD does dev?
That's funny.
Biddy,
Hello,
you got a
welcome
raid.
in. Welcome in, people. Yeah, I
Hello.
see. Hello. I need to add notifications for stuff like that.
Yeah,
at
you
some
do.
point on my stream.
You gotta add a...
How's it going, JD? How you doing?
What's
What
his
have you
name?
been, working
Miguel.
on? What?
You gotta add Miguel as your stream notification.
Oh yeah, I'll toss here. Here's Miguel. Here's Miguel. Hello, hello. How you doing? I was
Hello.
dev today. I'm assuming you were deving. Oh, let me actually. It's not sure.
Well, I mean, it says JD does dev, so like, I would imagine
There's
so.
only like sometimes maybe. I mean, maybe he's like playing games or some shit at some point. Maybe he's.
Well, then that would be
playing,
JD plays games.
That's true. Maybe he's playing Rivals of Aether too.
Okay, like that'd be valid if he was.
Yeah, working on that swinging game a bit more. Fair enough. What'd you work on today? So, like, what cool, sick feature? Let me modulate you to be like a
Okay, so you do not need to take a health component anymore. Sprite and animation, those are fine. I think.
That's true. Maybe he does have a boyfriend named Devin. You don't know. Maybe that's what the does dev part means. You might be cooking with that one.
Crazy.
Oh, why are you angry?
Wait, Biddy, I just realized.
What's up?
I need your opinion on this. Should the spawner automatically set the global position, or should the object do that?
Sorry, what?
So the health reactive spawner is always setting the spawned object's global position to its global position.
Yes.
Do you think it should do that? Actually, now that I think
Yes.
about it, yes, it definitely should do that. I don't know why I'm asking that.
Because otherwise you have to pass that in somehow. But
Yeah,
yeah, that's just
You're right.
Nothing too new or exciting, just fixing camera tracking to help with the level design. Fair enough. Oh, you need to be...
I saw that game. It looked a little bit like Fortnite, but like if it was like
It's
a little different.
okay. Yeah, that was what I was thinking too.
Yeah, I mean, Fortnite got like
What do you mean?
the grapple hook thing. It's like it's kind of
grapple hook.
close.
The grapple hook.
The grapple hook. You know, the one with like the suction cup and you go like boing. Come on, it can't just be me, right?
Jose, get that.
See, Jose gets it.
Get out of that. Get out of here with that. No, nuh-uh. Bad.
Hop on Fortnite.
No Fortnite mention. No mention of Fortnite.
Okay, so that should work.
Give me
theoretically.
game overrides.
What if we like actually try testing this to see if it works? That would be pretty cool.
Or really like just
enemy
coding
death
features
mode.
and hoping it works.
Yeah, I don't test features.
What am I doing this for?
I code them and I hope they work. Let's see, where is this?
Expedition
Enemy
33
slash.
build.
Is that what it's called? Why is the preview for this like not the scene that it is at all?
So go into it. Yeah, go to 2D, hover over the thing where you want it, and then hit Control S. Yeah, so it saves. Well, move that into the center of your camera.
Oh,
So it saves. Yeah, the thumbnails are your editor side.
interesting.
Mhm.
Okay, well that's good to know. And that's actually not the particle that I wanted, but like.
Sorry, let me not flick that on and off. Without adding an.
He's
FLS
flicking
to
it.
the stream. Bad. Just like Fortnite, except it's one player, 2D pixel art, and not good.
Yeah.
Okay, well, it's got one thing in common with Fortnite. Think about it. You can hear the delay between. You can hear the delay between whenever I said it and what JW's reaction was.
Yeah, I'm a little
No,
slow.
he was just, yeah, bro was like, "Oh, dude, no, that's so true. It is just like Fortnite, huh?"
Yeah.
I guess I can actually. Oh, you know what? I can give you a style box texture or
Style box texture.
I can toss this on here. This is gonna look like shit, right? No, not yet. And then I can say visibility. I can change you to clip children only. And now it's gonna look like shit. Now we're looking like shit. That's exactly what I want.
Now, whenever I save a scene, I'm going to have to make sure that like the preview for it is actually showing what the scene is.
My fault.
It's gonna bother me. And then I'm going to like instinctively press Control S, and then it's gonna mess it up, and then I'm gonna have to go back and redo it. This is terrible. Terrible news. I should have never learned this.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
Alright, let's test it. Let's test it.
9-patch rect respects the what? No, it doesn't.
Da what? Da ga?
The huh?
Da bois?
Why are you... Oh, because this is set to be a little different. Why are you not... Get out of here.
Well, it looks like it's working. Let me turn down the time scale.
Never heard of Sea of Stars. Is it good? I have heard a little bit of Sea of Stars. It's... I think people like it. I have no idea. Oh, sorry. Jose just said I played Sea of Stars last year. Really enjoyed the turn-based mechanics. Let's see. Sea of Stars.
Well, it appears to be working perfectly
You
fine.
might have sent me this one.
Let me
Nice.
look.
Yeah.
This one
you
is
talked
not
about this one,
rotating.
I think. Turn-based games have a lot of
That's
issues
fair.
to do with my brain.
This guy hates turn-based games. Bro is the #1 turn-based game hater.
Yeah.
It is genuinely insane.
Just a little bit. Only a spoonful.
Only a spoonful.
Clip only. You're not clipping, brother. You're just like not clipping. You just don't clip at all. What are we doing?
Why is it not working? There we
What's
go.
the reason? This should be clipping as far as I'm aware, but it's not. Oh, okay. Content margins.
Okay, why did that still not do anything?
20? No. 20.
Oh, duh. I'm dumb. Because the animation is controlling the rotation. So we need to delete this.
Sorry, I'm like losing my way, I think. What's going on here? Why is this not...
Oh, wait. I might be
like...
dumb.
Oh, expand margins? No. This needs to be set to 0 so that this is flush with this. And then I need to set you to be clip and draw. And if I were to turn this back on, there we go. Now it's correctly clipping. And then I can turn off the draw part and just clip so that this works. And then I can say that the margin container, which controls the actual sub viewport, will be in between these two slices. So now whenever I run the game, they will be between the two parts. All of that to say, this might not work, but it should. Oh, okay. Very cool. Thank you for that. I'm glad that you removed some of my variables, I guess. Main panel is this one. Who's pissed? You don't know about sub viewport? Oh no, you don't know about main panel.
Bro doesn't know about sub viewport. What the boy? What the huh?
There we go.
Wait,
Now it's being hidden behind the thing. Finally, all of this to say, we can have this disappear off the screen now. Also, let me make this not an egregious blue. You can be like, yeah, you can be that blue, but like just
okay,
like very, very transparent. Like, oh, not that transparent. Actually, you can be like a very transparent gray.
the song is a banger.
I know, dude. Yeah, this was
wasn't talking about
most
you.
recent song. Oh, okay.
Okay, maybe this will work now.
Let's see.
Oh, by the way, just to clarify that anybody rated, we don't actually hate each other. We just sound like we hate each other.
Yeah, that's true. Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Oh, we have to
Depends on the
practice
day.
for rivals doubles.
Oh, true. We need to practice for rivals
I
doubles.
forgot about that.
We should do that on the
I
stream.
forgot about that. No,
That'd actually be kind of fun.
that-
Yeah, we should totally do
Nope.
that.
I don't want to do that in front of people that don't know when I'm joking, whenever I scream. So I will be yelling.
You
I
will be yelling. This guy hates anybody who beats him in rivals. Oh wait, why is it still not randomizing? Hello. Did I not set? Oh, duh, because I didn't set the rotation. Oh, because it shouldn't.
Okay, so the minimap works, and you can zoom in, zoom out, and it even clips off the edge there, which is very nice.
Oh.
Oh shit! I forgot that.
I accidentally just unplugged my headphones. I can't hear anything.
Oopsie. Let's do
There we go.
that.
Okay. My headphones are plugged into my mic and I accidentally ripped the cord out.
Ah,
I can hear now though.
unfortunate.
You didn't say anything important like the past 5 seconds, right?
Never actually.
Okay.
So, yeah, we're good. So, can you see my screen whenever you get a moment?
I'm looking.
Look. So, oh wait, why is this? Sorry, hold on. Why the fuck is this taking up my entire screen? What happened? Okay, there we go. You were doing so well too. Oh, why is this zooming in? Why is it doing that? Buddy. Is someone... Wait, no. What? What? You should be... Full rectangle. Custom. Offsets. 64, 64, minus 64, minus 64. And then you should never change your size ever again. Don't tell a bad bitch what to do. No, you do. You are changing your size, like, often. Why are we doing that? If I go to game, select 2D, select this, go here. Yeah, who's changing your size? It's you. Huh. Why are we actually changing size though? You shouldn't be doing that like at all. Am I being stupid? Probably.
Possibly.
Actually. What did you say?
I said possibly.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it is. Full map main panel. You are you, which is. Oh, because this is not. Oh. Sure. What if I made you just like the viewport container size? Oh, well then that's not gonna work. Well, actually, that might work. We'll see. Okay, that does work. I think. Yeah, that looks like it works. Okay, JW, do you have a? Oh my god, I forgot to set the thing. I'm getting angry.
Do I have a?
Yeah, do you have a second to look at this?
Oh yes, I have a second to look at this. Oops, I clicked
Oh,
on the
actually,
wrong thing.
hold on.
Okay, never mind. I'll go back to what I was working on.
Oops.
Oh, you want to hit the gong?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how does this look?
I'm so hungry, dude. I said I was hungry like an hour ago. And
Go
I'm
get a
still just sitting here
snack.
steeping in it.
Because I also need to get a snack at some point, and we can't get a snack at the same time.
True. Okay, can you look?
Sure, I can look.
Okay. Any map?
Yeah.
Any full map?
Okay.
Can be dragged around. Okay.
Looks nice.
And zoomed.
Whoa.
And the zoom mount
Should
is
definitely
proportional, so-
add like limits to how much you
Yeah,
can zoom it,
definitely.
and also keep the player from attacking and looking around. But that's something I'm
Yeah.
sure you're gonna do.
Yeah, the zoom already has a limit. I can't zoom further than this. and
Oh,
I can't
okay.
zoom further
Okay,
than
never
this.
mind. That's nice then.
And whenever I hit this back, this goes back up here, and then it kind of resets back to center.
Yeah. Oh, also, this is another really random thing, but one thing that Neon Abyss does that I think is cool is if you, there's sometimes secret rooms where like you'll find like a lever or something like that, that when you open it, it'll give you like a special room that you can teleport to, that you can only get to by teleporting. I just think that's cool.
Oh,
I think that's something we should have.
interesting.
So like you pull
Maybe.
a lever and then it like reveals a hidden room, and then you go to the map and teleport to it.
I see. Shmi.
And it's used for like fancy
Okay.
rooms that are like really special or things like that. Or like sometimes certain actions will open up a secret room that'll like let you pick an extra item or something like that.
Yeah. Yeah. I want to make this like whenever you let go, it have it sling, but it kind of doesn't do that. Like I want to make it like a trackball movement.
I don't think we want that.
No,
I mean,
yes,
if you
we do.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
we
If
do.
you want
I
it.
can tell you right now, we do.
Okay, bro. Okay, so I added the hit particles. I don't think I really like them. I'm gonna have to tweak them. Change it with something else maybe. Because it's like a little slash, like with the hearts, but it doesn't quite fit. Also, something about it looks a little weird. I'm trying to see what's weird with it. But spawner works very well. I do like it.
Oh, yeah, it's the
Love how the smoke just teleports around. I'm just gonna
It's
turn it
kinda
off
fucked up and
so
weird.
it doesn't look bad.
let's see, last input alert towards vector 2 dead.
Okay. How can I fix
5 or
this?
something like that. We can just go to tables. Who cares?
What if?
What is a rival, actually? I don't know if anyone ever asked that.
Okay. I didn't realize this, but oh wait. I just learned that Control J pops up and down the menu at the bottom.
Ew, that's a default thing. That's not even your plugin. I don't like
Nope.
that. Oh wow, a cat.
Because I was trying to do Control
actually,
K to comment out a line.
Ew, why not Control Slash?
Because I learned that Control K does it first, and that's what I do.
Weird.
Oh wow, a cat and a frog. Yes.
It's actually a Vaporeon in a frog's boot and a cat.
Yeah, whatever. Well, I'm a fried cat.
Yeah, that's true. Fortunately.
Yeah. I am fried and cooked before I am served and ate.
See, look at that.
Look at, okay, fine. You should also probably make it so you can't scroll it off the screen.
Yeah, well,
Because, like, I guess if it resets when you reopen it, it's not a big deal.
yeah.
But does it keep that? That's
Gosh.
fun.
Yeah, it does. It's not supposed to. But
Can't fool me, I'm a frog expert. Bro is a frog expert.
Get frogged, idiot.
Aim direction dot angle. Aim direction dot angle gotta be like one of my favorite things ever. What is a Marvel rival? Don't ever say that again.
Is an angle.
Do not mention Marvel rivals in this chat.
Radian? Just kidding. Radians are sick.
Yeah, I agree.
Is this? Am I done? Am I done with this? Is there a point where? Oh no, I need to stop it from going off screen. I guess. Whatever. Which I think would just be. Can I get access to the viewport? Is that something we can do? Console.print. Perfect. This seems to be string. Oh no, it gets converted to a string anyways, right? Yeah. Okay, and then compare that to the global position. Global position. Global position. Why are you off screen? JD did this upgrade. Yeah, that happened a little bit ago, but that's okay. I still appreciate it. Times zoom.x, I think should be fine. Yeah, because then I can see that it's actually going off the screen. Or I'll actually make this target zoom, I think, because that seems a little bit more like it makes sense.
I'll try that. Let's see how this looks. So originally I had the little slash going to random directions. Now I'm going to try having it go in the direction that you're hitting, plus or minus a small random number.
So I can do bounds is equal to get viewport checked minus.
Wait, did that show up behind the enemy?
Divided by 2? Does that work? Are you gonna be happy with that? Oh, you're pissed.
Oh,
I can't do
I just discovered a funny bug. There's no limit to how fast you can attack with the regular attack.
Should be. What?
Nope.
Really? Like at all?
Nope. Watch this.
Oh, what the fuck? I thought there was.
You just fry him. Check time options.
I guess so. Wait, this isn't... What? Current ability... Wait, is there not... There should be an attack cooldown thing, right? Oh. Wait, no. Oh, it should be back here. See. Yeah, there we go. Okay, figured it out. Yeah, you're not allowed to ask questions now. Sorry, I took that privilege away. Yeah, you can still ask questions. I just felt like changing some things up, changing the titles up a little bit.
Changing the titles up.
Okay, there we go. That works. Yeah, I broke the cooldown. Another recent change. So I fixed it just
crazy.
now. So if we are, so the bounds dot position. No.
Wait, no, that's not what I was
Yes. So what is this print again? You aren't printing at all. There we go.
doing. 9 errors.
Okay. Yeah. So I would do bounds minus bounds dot position minus bounds dot size divided by 2. So now you're gonna be pushed back a little bit. Step out, go back, go back, go back, go back, go forward, go forward. I guess. What in the fuck was the purpose of that, Godot? Why did I just do Alt-Shift and I moved the fucking script up and down the list on the left? It doesn't even do anything. What's the purpose? Balance. Which is not a function, it's just a thing. So this should be... Okay, Dante's 9, you can open up whenever you feel like it. I don't really care that much. Dante's 9 isn't the name anymore? No, it's called Dante's 8. Dante's 9 devs finally locking in. First time I've seen it. Hey, listen. One of them is. The other one's over here doing something.
I'm killing enemies in slow motion.
See what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Sure.
Can I guess I could clamp the position to be within this rectangle, right? Yeah. Global position, but clamp? Ooh, you are... Can I do bounce? Is there a start variable? No, I guess it would just be position and then bounce dot position plus size. I thought that there was a way to get the start and end of a rectangle. Am I like stupid?
No clue.
Start. There's a way to get the end. Okay, so it would just be position and end. I see. That's a little... I guess it makes sense. Start is just the same as the position. So we'll clamp that to that, which I think should be fine. Global position is that.
Let's try this again. How does this feel? What if we use the pistol?
Yes. And then... So this will not do the correct thing. This will do something, so it'll stop it from going up there. But if I zoom in, it doesn't stop it. It's only whenever it's at like 1 time zoom, like it actually works. So I think what I need to do is make this so you're taking into account zoom. Which means I need to bounce that size divided by target zoom, mayhaps. That kind of works. But I guess they probably back by Sunday. Good luck, good luck.
Good luck.
He's in testing the enjoyability of the game. Yeah, he's doing useful stuff. He's like the game
yeah,
guy, so
for sure. Wait, hold up. You should be 4. You.
I want to play Caves that Cut so bad. Sorry.
Okay, bro.
What, I've been playing it a lot. After, like, the fact that Lucas got into it is, like, really cool.
We should practice doubles instead.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Caves that Cut is so much cooler.
Me when I'm wrong? Oh, those are way too big.
Maybe I can
Does this scale this some? Does this get so? Oh, does this scale them up? It does. Okay.
There we go. All right, GW, check this out.
What am I checking out?
Wait for these errors to wait for these console prints to clear.
Mm-hmm.
So it now, if it goes off the bounds, it kind of nudges itself back in.
Oh, that's nice actually. You're like really
also,
cool.
If I zoom out, it keeps the bounds based on the zoom. If I zoom in, and
That's
then
actually
if I were
really
to
cool.
put it off screen and then zoom, it will kind of like nudge itself. And it's a little funky on the edges, but like if you're zooming on,
Yeah,
you're kinda
nobody's
asking for
gonna
that.
be doing that.
Yeah, it's like you're asking for that, you know. I do want to make it so that whenever you zoom in, it zooms in on the mouse rather than on the
On the center.
on the center. Yeah, but I
Yeah.
honestly don't 100% know how I want to do that.
Math
Is
or
there,
something.
there's not like a helper function, is there? Like a zoom toward? No. Oh, you know what I could do actually?
Oh, what could you do
When the
actually?
zoom changes, I can get a difference between the current zoom and the new zoom. So previous zoom is zoom.x, and then afterwards we will see the, I can do var diff is zoom.x minus previous zoom. So if you're zooming in, this will be positive, which means that we would lerp toward the mouse's position. To get global mouse position, I will do global position is equal to global position dot lerp from here to here over diff. Maybe.
Diff.
I don't know about that. Oh, I guess this could be direct position instead, right?
Okay.
Move the bugs to in front of you, so whatever. Yeah. I'm so hungry. I'm so I'm eating Miguel's. There's something a little weird about this. The way that it. It's like a weird steppiness to it. I don't know what's. This shouldn't be like reversed, right? I think this would be the wrong way. Weird way of doing that. Well, funnily enough, it isn't what I wanted. But it is smoother somehow? What the fuck? It's the 1.0. Are you're going to follow this exactly, which means you're going to be a little weird, right? it stuttering so much? I don't understand. Let's see. Hold on. So... Oh, I know what I need to do. I know what I need to do. I think. Oh god.
Yeah, I think there should be a time slow when you kill the last enemy. Definitely, but not all of them. I think just the last one would be cool.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna step away for a moment. I'm gonna get a snack, and I'm gonna think about this.
Okay.
I'm probably gonna use the bathroom as well. So here is JW.
Cool.
Is this BRB text? Oh, oh, that's at the top. Why are you up there? Oh, right here. BRB.
Okay, I don't like... I'm trying to figure out just some more particle stuff, so... I have this particle here that will play when you hit an enemy, but I don't... It looks okay with melee attacks, but it looks weird with ranged attacks. I think I might do something different. Also, this guy feels a little bit fast. I think I turned up the speed scale on this, yeah. Let's turn it back to 1. How does this look? Let me just see how that looks now. Yeah, I think that might be better. Let's go in with a sword. See how that looks. Yeah. I think that looks decent. Yeah, that looks decent. Now what to do about this? What do I do about this? The hit particle. Maybe you should just be a regular particle and not this. What if we change you to something different? What other particles do we have?
Okay, I'm back.
I'm trying to figure out particles.
Uh-oh. Why is that?
I'm just trying to figure out how to make them look nice. It's not like I have an issue. I'm just figuring out what's gonna look the best. I originally added like the little slash thing like I have for the hearts when you hit the enemies. It looked okay with the melee attacks, but it looks kind of weird with like ranged attacks. So I just want something general that works with anything. Because I didn't like it that much in the first place, so we're gonna try some other things. You know what? I don't think we need a hit particle. Now that I think about it.
You don't think we need a hit particle at all?
I think the flash is nice, and I think if they have knockback, it'll be good. I really think that's like the one thing that they just need.
Okay.
And then we have the system that I just made if we need hit particles. I'll keep the old one as it was and just remove it from the ground enemy.
Okay.
But here I can show you the new smoke or like death particle. I don't know if you saw that.
Okay.
It looks very nice now.
Stream.
It is now nice and pixel perfect.
Oh yay! I can't wait. I love pixel perfect.
Oop, that's the wrong one.
Wrong one. No. Hit escape.
Or you can do Control R again.
Shift R, but yeah.
Shift R, yeah, whatever. Time options.
I love debug menus.
Look at that.
Whoa.
It looks nice and full time too.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Although something about me says like they should be like a grayish, so that they're like kind of actually grayish. Because it kind of looks like just like a blast of like, I don't know, something. But there maybe should be some color variation in there. I guess there kind of is, but
yeah. I don't see why it would be gray, to be honest.
Because it's supposed to be like smoke.
Well, no, it's supposed to be kind of like blood and like whatever.
Oh, it's like
goop.
implied.
Yeah.
Blood something. Okay.
Yeah. Just general death effects.
See.
I mean, we could try like smoke or something like that. We don't want it to be quite as bloody.
Previous. Hold on. So from previous to our target is how much? So var total diff is equal to target minus previous, previous zoom. So this will be the amount of zoom we could have covered over the amount. I'm then going to see how much like, the ratio is going to be diff divided by total diff. This will be the absolute value of this. And then we can pass this into ratio mayhaps. This might end up being just completely wrong, so we'll see. Oh shit, goodbye. I see. I see what's happening. Okay, so I'm definitely wrong in that case. Oh, there's a lot of things that feels wrong about this, which is that if I zoomed out here, this would move downwards. This would move this direction, right? And the reason is because of this. This should not be that. Yeah, there we go. That feels almost, oh well. Is that right? I don't know.
Oh no.
I guess I need this to be if not diff. So if there's no difference, we just return out of this, sure. Target is max zoom versus min zoom, which would tell us how much space we can cover. And then we want to see total diff and then what we just covered.
Okay, now it should be on all the enemies.
Maybe.
Because I think also one reason why the slash looks a little weird is it's kind of weird to have like the flash that it currently has when they get hit, plus like another effect. I feel like. Like I think the flash is just nice and clean and simple, and it's very readable that they're getting hit. And adding more stuff kind of just
Yeah.
like jumbles it up.
Can you mayhaps... Not you, like actual you.
Yeah.
Let me make sure. There's no way for me to tell Widow, hey buddy. Wait, no, I can. Right? Well, no. Yes? I don't know. Hold on. Offset? What does offset do? If we were to just like take a look at is the camera. Why can't I see the bounds of the camera? Weird. I'll do it with this one. I know this camera's fine being fucked with.
Oh.
So say I set the offset to the left, 500, and then set the position to 500. Could I then zoom in?
Okay,
now?
that works. I thought I kind of did all of that to do basically nothing, but it's okay. I'm going to step away for just a minute and grab a little snack as well. I will be back in just a little bit.
Alright, good luck. Thank you for opening the documentation to not the place that I asked about. Camera zoom, yeah, okay, great. This doesn't mention anything about like the center, does it? I can't really think about how to do this. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time of visualizing what this would be. Like this code, the code that the editor has, like zooming in and just like moving it towards this point, I imagine would be pretty simple, right? Well, okay, hold on. Keyboard camera. I'm spending way too long on this, man. I guess we wouldn't care about target position, right? Okay, let's say that we're not moving. Can I just do like... Oh, I guess I could do this here, maybe? Like, I guess I do care about target position, don't I? I'm just curious what this would do. I doubt this does what I want it to, but whatever. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it does, it does. That'd be sick, but... just coming out this time. So if I were to zoom in... Okay, so there's like big steps. I see that. And I'm not entirely sure why there are big steps. Oh, it's because of this, right? So if this were to be like actually 0.25 or something like what we did. What if both of these were moved towards the thing? just for a moment. Let's pretend that this is something that we would want to keep. So it. Okay, how about this? And then we will do for moving away. We will do minus. So zoom in, zoom out. Oh, I got it backwards. Sorry. Zoom in. Does not move you towards the mouse. The fucking slightest.
Granola bar eated.
Granola bar eaten. Whoa.
Yummy.
Okay, maybe I am stupid. Maybe it is the other way around.
Yeah, maybe.
What? Dude. I just say that. It's fucked up. Mean.
Yeah. That's me.
Like, yeah, I'm a little bit of a dickhead. Ah.
Meow. Sorry.
Okay, bud.
I'm begging.
That's fine, I guess. Like, whatever. Get your shit done.
Okay, what do I have in here to do? How is it past 9 o'clock already?
No.
I'm like the slowest person to ever exist.
Like, man,
It's
like
something I can like draw
already.
real quick. Before we wrap
Are you
up.
drawing?
Oh yeah, I think I draw. I mean, I already did some code.
Okay, fair enough. How the fuck do I get this mechanic to work? Oh my lord.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to make it so whenever you zoom in, it moves smoothly towards the thing. But it's not, as you can see. It's like kind of doing it, but like not really doing it.
Hmm.
And I might just be like, I might just give up on it for now and come back to it later.
Yeah, it's okay.
To be honest with you. I think I'm happy with it at least working and being like usable over anything. Yeah, I think that's fine.
Yeah, I think that's fine.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
I had a...
Wait, no, I've got it, I think.
Wait, no, you got it.
I think I've got it. Target position plus equals get global mouse position times zoom step times target zoom.
I forgot I have this that I can work on. The binder.
The binder of Isaac.
The binder of Isaac. Okay, so I honestly think probably shouldn't have that layer. Or that layer. I think they should just kind of like float. Like they do in the current menu. So we're gonna duplicate that layer. Then we
Mine and we craft and we mine and we
first
craft,
we mine,
and we craft.
then we craft,
No.
then we craft.
What?
What?
There's no fucking shot.
There's no way you're mining and crafting.
Oh my god, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing wrong. I need to get the direction from...
You know what you're doing.
Oh my god, I need to get the direction
It's a
from
new
this
one?
to the center pivot, but this doesn't know about the center pivot, right? So I don't know how to... Hold on. Well, 0, 0 is going to be the center, right? Oh no, it's not. Shit. Another variable in here called focus position, which is a vector. Hello, Apex Pixelated. How you doing?
Oh, hello.
Welcome in. Since Val, we're doing some game development. Target position is equal to focus position, and global position is equal to focus position. That way, I can set that through code here, where I say, instead of doing target position and global position, I can say instead to do S. Viewport camera dot focus position. I can do this just once, which will, I guess I could also do this, right? Sure, I could do this there. I could say that and that. So whenever that gets set, we are doing that. Okay, cool. Sorry to lurk and run. You have to take out your dogs. Good luck. No problem.
Bro's
Thanks
addicted
for
to
stopping
walking
by.
his dogs.
Yeah, you're addicted to walking your dogs, apparently. So I can see... Oh, Lord. I can get the mouses different between... Well, hold on. I can get the difference between... Oh. Wait.
Uh-oh.
I don't know if I need the focus position. I think I can do... Is it that I could just use get local mouse position instead? Is that the problem? Kind of is. Yeah, it is. That like does exactly what I want, minus the... It's a little
Cool.
jittery still, but... Portfolios are a trap, never make one, JW, do you hear that?
Okay. Why?
And then I could also just do like... But like focus position, well that would break it. Global position...
Never-ending hellscape of discontent and chasing unachievable perfection.
That's so fucking real.
Yeah, maybe.
I relate to that. What do you mean, yeah, maybe?
You could be wrong.
There's like, thanks for
It's
the life
possible.
advice. Fuck you. Like, what the hell? Why are you like that, man? Let's see. I think I could just do a divide by the zoom amount here. And then... Oh, do...
I'm looking at card binders. I'm not sure if... I know Nasitos was saying that the ones with the rings are like technically bad.
He's correct.
But like it looks cool. Makes more sense. Respect your elders. I'm like 10 years older than you, alright. Bitlytic docs this guy.
Jose is a 52-year-old man from Quebec. Sorry. I don't know why I put that evil on you. I don't know why I banished you to Quebec, but
Yeah. Something Northern Lion.
Northern Lion's not in Quebec. Are you like stupid?
Yeah, that's
not even
the
remotely
joke.
close, actually.
That's
You're
the
stupid.
joke.
I hate this motherfucker.
That's the joke.
I hate this dude. I hate this dude.
I actually couldn't remember which province he's in, so I was like, if it's right, then it's funny, and if it's not, then it's a joke.
Do you know what he's in at all?
I know he's in Vancouver, but I don't know where that is.
Okay. Do you know which side of Canada that's
Wait,
on?
isn't that...
Up,
It's
down,
the left side.
right?
Isn't that... Left.
Where are we
left.
putting it? Where are we putting it?
Left.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't remember what the province is, though.
It is BC.
Yeah,
British
yeah.
Columbia.
I knew that one.
How many? Okay, here's the question for you, JW. I'm gonna.
Uh-oh.
This might be embarrassing for you. It might not be. Well, I'll also say I got this wrong the first time I asked this question myself. How many provinces do you think there are in Canada?
I don't know. I'm not even gonna try, dog.
Give me a guess. Just give me a guess, man. Give me a guess.
7.
7. Actually, a lot closer than I got. I thought it was 4. Whenever I
4.
asked,
Okay, 4 is
when I asked
kind of
myself the question
crazy.
first, I was like,
4
what
is
are we thinking?
kind of crazy.
Well, because I'm like, we have
dog, that's insane.
Alberta, we have Ontario, Quebec, and BC. And I'm
There's
like,
also Nova
okay, well maybe it's like 5 or
Scotia?
6 with like Nova Scotia and then like the Yukon.
I forgot that was a province.
The answer is there's 10.
10 is
It's
kind of crazy.
Yeah. Jose was also pretty close with 12. Jose was closer than either of us, but yeah, it is 10. Which I was like, what the fuck do you mean there's 10 of those motherfuckers up there? I don't think I definitely could not name all of them. Isn't there one called like fucking Northwest Territory or some shit?
Yeah, maybe.
If this is real, I'm gonna like lose my mind. Oh my god, it's called Northwest Territories. Holy
Oh,
shit.
even better.
Oh yeah, Saskatchewan is like one that is literally touching the U.S. and so is Manitoba. Yeah, none of it as well. Yeah, it's very, I don't know, it's kind of funny to me. Not funny, but like, you know, Americans talking about geography and stuff. And provinces and 3 territories isn't, well, Northwest Territories is a province itself, right? No? Wait. No. Canada provinces. Oh, okay, there is. Yeah, it's Alberta, BC, Manitoba, New Brunswick, Newfoundland. Oh, Newfoundland and Labrador. What the fuck are you like? Oh yeah, the whole name is Newfoundland and Labrador. Okay, sure, dude. Whatever. Nova Scotia, Ontario, Prince Edward Island, Quebec, and Saskatchewan.
Prince Edward Island?
Prince Edward Island.
What the heck is that?
Oh, how many cities, municipalities exist in... I have no fucking clue. My parents went to Puerto Rico a few months ago, though. This is the second time they've been in a year. My stepdad really wants to see, like, the areas where he grew up and shit. Which is pretty cool. I don't know shit about it. I know they got... Okay, do I say that? Do I... I'm like 90% sure that this is a real city in Puerto Rico. I'm fairly certain it's the capital as well. But like, I don't want to say it because I could be like wrong, and like that'd be really
That would be really funny. No, that'd be really funny
say
if you're just
San Juan.
wrong.
Is that correct? Is San Juan the capital of Puerto Rico? Or am I like being stupid? Oh, it is. Thank fuck. Oh my god, dude, I felt my heartbeat race a little bit. I won't lie. I was like, if I get this shit wrong, like Jose is gonna be like, he's gonna be DMing me on Discord later, and he'll be like, "You're fucking stupid ass American, stupid ass white boy, don't know Puerto Rico."
True. Wait, where is Puerto Rico?
Guess how many? How many? What you say? The municipalities, cities/municipalities. I don't know, man.
Wait, what are
Okay,
we
I'm
guessing?
gonna do a thing. I'm gonna do
What
a
are we
thing. I'm
guessing?
gonna pull up Puerto Rico on a map. However, we're going to see this live. I'm not going to look for cities. I'm just going to see the size comparison. Compared. Okay, so Puerto Rico's the little guy right there, right?
Okay.
Right. Yes. Okay. Puerto Rico's the little guy right there.
I'm not gonna lie, if you told me
I'm
to
not
point
looking
to
at the.
Puerto
I'm not
Rico
looking
on
at
a
the.
map,
I'm
I
not
would get
looking
it
at the cities,
wrong.
Jose. I'm just looking at it from like a far away to see the size comparison because I'm just like thinking for a moment. Yeah, I'm not zooming in. Don't worry. We're not zooming in past this. Do I go low? Do I go high? 6.
6.
I'm gonna lose my. I'm saying 6. What are you saying, JW? What are you
Let's see. We're gonna go with 24.
24. Yeah, I'm not effectively looking at a state. Some of these, I said 6. I don't know, man. I don't know what you're asking. You said municipalities/cities. I don't fucking know, dog. What the fuck counts? What's a municipality? What does that count as? All right, zoom in. Is it like 84 and a half?
Yeah, that's a lot more.
Okay. are all of these the things that you're counting? Like every name here? Are you talking about? Are these?
I don't know.
What
It looked really
about?
small from far away. 78.
78?
Okay. I was closer. I win.
Yeah, technically you were. That's crazy. Let's go check out Puerto Rico on W Place. I'm not doing that. I'm not putting that on my stream first. I'm gonna safety check it first. Oh, good thing I safety checked it. Okay. What do we got going on in Puerto Rico on W Place? Let's see. I don't immediately see anything though. Okay, well that's a little provocative. Oh, dude, they have the that's the there's no porn on my screen, right? Please, please, please let me make sure before I do anything else. Please make sure that there's nothing bad on my screen. Please, please, please. Debbie, can you look at my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just making sure that there's nothing. Okay, we're gonna move this to the other monitor. The fucking the draw that's like the Rigby cat thing.
Yeah, the boy.
And then also fat ass Teto.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Literally us.
Puerto Rico's kind of going crazy. Yeah. Oh, I want to go see really quickly on W Place. I'm taking a little development brain break. I'm gonna go to Vancouver, BC. 'Cause I want to see the Northern Lion, massive, whatever the fuck they're doing. There's actually just so much Northern Lion over here. It's actually insane.
It's
oh, here it is,
beautiful.
dude. They're.
I don't think I've seen this. Let me see. Let me see this.
Yeah.
What is that? It's beautiful.
Get it twisted, T.
That's
funny.
actually beautiful. That might be the best thing I've seen in my entire life.
Dude, the Northern Lion corner is insane. I love this. I love.
That's like actually insane that people just do that.
Yeah, dude.
Like, what do you mean?
Hi, Tomo. Yeah. Okay. Any map is done, by the way. I think, or at least it's,
okay, wonderful.
it works.
Yeah, we just need to
Not
have,
about
like
done.
that you can click on it, teleport and stuff. You know.
Yeah. Very well. Yeah.
Yeah, that's your job.
Sorry, my fault.
Oh, okay. That is your fault, by the way.
Oh, you know what? I promised actually that I would clean this code up. So I'm going to do that actually. Just I'm going to call show in here because you don't need to be called elsewhere. This will actually be the same class. So ready map. It will be map node map put here
map
screen map view. Oh, there we go. Now that goes fucking crazy, dude. Okay, and then you can also be load map view. And actually, well, no, you're fine. Well, why do you need to know about center point again? You don't. Get your shit out of here, dude. Map. It's the show map. We parent that to the subview container, and then we will also have an Spookar for the size reference, which will be a control node, which by default, ready, if not size reference, size Seld. Size reference, not size. There we go. Okay. So now I can say subviewport container is this guy, and the size reference will actually be the margin container rather than the node itself. And then for you, you won't have a size reference, and that should be good. In here though, I need to change this. So this will actually be a map view and a map view. Hi, Tomo.
Okay.
We'll do show. Close out the Puerto Rico / municipalities. New York has 594? What the fuck? Like, you mean New York? Obviously, the state. Duh. I don't know why the fuck I was about to ask. Do you mean New York, the city, or the state? Why the fuck would New York City have 594 city, municipality, whatever you got going on? La boo boo.
La boo boo.
La boo boo. Why the fuck are you hidden, brother? Show up, bitch. Show up. Oh, okay. Can I undelete that file? I can't. Okay, that's fine, I guess. Whatever. I don't need it anyways. Whatever. What if I were to assign this up as a size reference? Perhaps.
Do you ever just like forget how to draw things?
I never.
Oh wait, no, you're not an artist. I'm sorry. Sorry, I'm not asking the right person.
Dude, I hate this motherfucker. I hate him.
I have valid crash out, to be honest.
Why do you feel cheated? Because you haven't seen Obsidian on my screen once? Have you been watching the same stream as me? And also, like, why? Why do you feel cheated? I didn't promise you that I would pull up Obsidian or anything. Okay, that works as intended, it looks like. Yes, okay, that still works as intended. And if I were to resize this container to make this a different margin, so 64 on each one does what? Yes, that does work, I think. Yeah, nice. And if I were to make this a little bit smaller, well, maybe I wouldn't. Maybe I would, actually. What if I do want a smaller size? You have offsets, right? You do, yeah. 128, 128, minus 128, minus 128, and then now it should be shrunken on the sides. Does this still respect the subviewport? It does. Yippee. Cool. There. Okay, I'm happy with the mini-map. Maybe I should add
Bro is happy.
Yeah. Maybe I should make it so you can't drag too far off the side, because I see that this is not centered anymore, so maybe... Well, okay, then I can open up Obsidian if you want to see it here. Obsidian. Whoa, there's the pixel art. I'll open up this to-do list. Whoa, it's a to-do list. And then we can go to general.
Whoa, it's another to-do list.
Whoa, dude, look at that. 2 things I've redone. Ayo, Kingdom Hearts, Chain of Memories, Metroidvania, action platformer, RPG. Okay, we're just using every word, aren't we?
Oh, wow.
A guy who just learned about Steam tags and is listing all of them.
Yeah.
How's it going though? It's almost is this pixel perfect? Dude, it is. JW was gonna fucking lose his mind if it wasn't.
Brother,
He's
I
gonna
made
soak
that.
this.
Oh wait, oh you're talking about that. Never mind. I thought you were talking about the
Yes,
heart
I am.
UI. I was very confused. I was like,
No,
what? Huh?
Yeah, you dumb motherfucker.
Yeah, can confirm I'm quite dumb.
Don't forget Dark Souls roguelike. Well, it is roguelike.
It is a
So that
roguelike.
part you got.
Yeah.
That's about the only one. Oh no, you got action platformer as well. You forgot deck builder though. It's deck builder, action platformer, roguelike.
Yeah.
Yep. Because this guy likes every buzzword in the world, and so he put them all into one game.
Yeah.
So this
I
should
made a
be
game with every
starting-
buzzword.
I made a game in Godot, and here's how it went. And then it's like, I don't know, man. Never mind.
Okay.
Let's see. Balance up position. So I'm subtracting the size. However, I can't set the center of a thing, can I? No, I can only. Hold on.
Your video's this looking.
Bounds dot. Hold on.
The
Give me a moment.
binder.
Give me a moment. I'm praying. I'm praying to someone to beam this into my fucking skull to tell me what I'm about to type. The bounds works whenever it's offset by 0. However, I would like to offset it by the position of the actual focus thing. So I think I would do bounds dot position plus equals focus position, mayhaps, which would. Yeah, dude, that means that doesn't get off the edge. Now the edge is based
Whoa.
on that. Yeah, cool. Then I could even do a thing where it's like,
You're always way overcomplicating this.
yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
That's okay though. Do we pay for sync? Nope. Or not, because I don't leave my PC. Well, I don't pay for sync because I don't need to. Because we just commit it to the GitHub repository, so I can access this from anywhere that I need to. And if I set it up correctly on my Android phone, because Android is the best option, I could actually pull the GitHub repository on my phone and update it there.
Oh wait, can you do
I
that?
don't. Yes, you can.
That's actually goated. I set up a. You can actually set it up with iOS if you install iCloud on your computer.
Oh
which
wow,
is so very
that's-
fun.
Oh, so you would iCloud the folder?
Yeah,
with
I
the
have
Obsidian Vault?
one that I have synced that I just
Ew.
use with iCloud. It automatically syncs everything, which is at least nice.
So, but you would have to set up this folder inside of our project as an iCloud folder, right?
Yeah, if I wanted to be in the project, yeah.
Yeah.
But I
'cause
just
we
have like my own
so what we
personal
have,
notes that I
okay.
have synced, and if I like want to write something down on my phone, I'll just put it in like my personal one.
Yeah, I just have a personal one that I also just write shit down on. But yeah, there's this docs page, or this docs folder, which is where all of our Obsidian stuff goes. So this is the thing that gets synced across our GitHub repository. So anytime there's a push, you can pull it wherever you're working and then see the to-do lists. Google Drive doesn't read Markdown. Yeah, I mean Google Drive isn't going to, but like you could sync it to your phone, and wouldn't it download it, and then you could just open that as a vault on your phone? I don't know.
I don't know.
Just push and pull. It doesn't push and pull and change. We have to manually do that, but I think that's a fine thing for not paying for sync. And I like that you have the option, to be honest. I also like just having this up. I'd rather have this in the GitHub repository because then it's like changes are stored somewhere that isn't just Obsidian folders or Obsidian servers. And it's just like something that if you like clone a repository, you don't also have to sync the Obsidian thing.
Do you
One
want
thing
to
I
look at
wish-
what I have here?
Sure, give me a moment. I kind of wish I could rename this so it doesn't say docs. I wish this said like Dante's 9 docs or something. You can't do that, right? I couldn't say like this isn't docs, this is Dante's 9 docs. Create new base now. Marks. I'm gonna look this up actually. Obsidian change name of vault. Yeah, they're all just based on the folder name. Yay. That sucks. Yeah, it is just 100% detected by the name of the folder. Yay. Yeah, okay, whatever. Okay, I think I might be done with the work that I have for tonight. I'm happy with the minimap changes, minus the character still swinging in the background, but
Silly.
that can be fixed.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, the zooming is pretty good. It's a little meh right now, but it can be fixed.
Little meh.
It's not super important. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, what are you doing? What are we talking about? What do you want me to see?
Give me a second, I'm just adding some things here.
Add some things.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Ta-da.
Whoa.
Binder. You probably can't see. I'll zoom in so you can like kind of see. It's probably all blurry.
Yeah. Yeah, cards. Oh, that looks
Yeah.
sick. Yeah. So how do we want this to work in game? Is it going to be one of the ones where you can scroll up and down, or is it going to change the page?
It'll change the page, I think.
Okay. So there's a way that we technically could do that, and have it like do like a not scroll animation, but like a page turning thing.
And that would be.
So you know how we have that card shader that allows you to kind of do the fake 3D turning effect? We could do that where the pages are a sub viewport.
Hold up.
And we could just like
Oh,
put all of the
I like
cards inside
that.
of the sub viewport and then turn it. It's kind of wild. I won't.
That would be
lie,
kind of
but
sick.
It would probably be kind of sick.
I
yeah.
think we might have to try that. And then I also want to
Yeah,
have the
I know, I
tabs
should
for
have said
like
that.
menu buttons. That might be a little weird because technically, if you turn the page, the tabs would go over to the other side,
What do you mean?
and that could be weird. Or wait,
What are you
no.
talking about?
Am I
are you
am I
talking
dumb?
Yeah, what are you talking about?
So like for example, if this tab was like the farthest back page, if you flip to that tab, all of these tabs, if it was an actual binder, would go over to this side.
Yeah, we ignore that.
Okay.
Okay. We ignore that. Yeah, because it just
Cool.
doesn't make like functional sense.
Yeah.
Like
obviously.
it breaks just a little bit, but I think we can like afford that luxury of saying, hey, just ignore this.
Okay, yeah.
'Cause it's a cool effect.
Yeah. Okay, and then yeah, we can go through figure out what tabs we want. So obviously, you have one for your deck,
Mhm.
which you can scroll through. One for pins. One for. I was thinking for the collection. I think we might want to have a different way to display that, and I don't remember what it was. Maybe that was the one that we wanted to scroll, like all discovered cards.
Oh, I thought that this was going to be the collection, and that the
I don't see why we wouldn't put the deck in here. Like, it would make the most sense to put the deck in here because that's what you're carrying around.
yeah. So it
And then when you pull up to the
no.
forge, we wanted to have it pull out the binder, so you could look through it.
So one issue with this is that the
Hello, average Godot enjoyer. We're thinking about UI. Very hard.
So we have some interesting stuff. Give me a moment to think about this from like a functional standpoint.
Okay.
Because let's say I'm a player and I want to upgrade a card. How many cards are we going to have in a deck usually?
That's a very good question.
Because I see you've got 18 cards on the screen right now. So how often would they be turning the page? Would there be sorting buttons? The answer is yes, by the way.
Yeah.
Which would probably just be like at the bottom or like on the right side or something. There would be like the same tabs you've got on the left. They would just have like icons for sorting. So let's say I have, I guess it's not going to be much of an issue because, you know, you've got, excuse me, you have 18 cards. If you were to turn the page, you would have 36 cards. If you were to turn the page, you would have like 54. Is that
Yeah.
right? That might
And
be
I
right.
think, yeah,
that's a lot of cards. I don't
yeah.
think you're going to be reaching that.
Yeah.
Because I'm thinking about how annoying would it be if you wanted to upgrade a card and you opened this and you would have to go through the animation a couple of times to pull up the correct card.
Yeah.
Not that annoying, so I think it's fine. Also, from a functional standpoint, like from like actually using cards that you play with, you don't ever put the cards you actually play with in a binder.
Yeah, that's true. But like,
you would have to pull them out of the binder first to play with them, which is like.
But like, where else are you gonna put
fucking
them?
Annoying for a deck box.
Okay.
Do you know what a deck box is?
I mean, yeah, it's a box with a deck in it.
Yeah. Well, I'm just saying, like, from a practical standpoint, they're usually put in like boxes like these, or like this, where it's like these are specifically for what you're playing with. Which we don't have to adhere to. Totally don't have to. I'm just like, I'm gonna put that into the.
I mean, if you have like
the conversation,
an idea of how it could look like that.
I don't. But I did want to put it into the conversation, just as like a thing of like, you.
Because like I can't think of a way that we would actually use that unless like it pops up and they like all go flying out or something onto the screen.
Yeah, which we could, but
yeah. But I also do like the idea of like pulling up the binder as well when you're using the forge.
Yeah, it's not the worst thing. We could do that.
Yeah. And also, like, I was thinking that would make it what would make it easier to display is just keep it like it currently is, where it has like the 3D effect, and then it's like a magic binder, so like you can pull the cards out whenever a lot more easily. So that way it's usable as your deck box, and you don't need a deck box.
Oh, and we can have a little animation of whenever you like click the card to put it on the forge, like a little Dante's paw quickly comes down from the top and pulls the card out, the binder goes down, and then it like slams onto the forge.
Sure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't know, I thought you'd be fucking with that idea, but
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, no, it looks good though. It's a good binder.
Yeah. So I would think, I'm just thinking for the forge, we were only gonna have it show like half, right? Like it would be on the side.
Probably, yeah. We would probably just have, oh, hello everybody. Hello everybody, Northern Line here.
Okay, welcome to the Binding of Isaac.
Binding the Isaac.
Binding the Isaac.
Yeah, it would show
so yeah, it'd be half.
Yeah,
I think it. I'm just thinking out loud here. I think it'd be half. And then on the right, I think it should show like available sticker packs. And then if you hover over a card, it would show like what sticker packs are applicable to that card.
When you say on the right, be a little bit more specific. So is the entire binder moved to the left?
Yes, the entire binder is like on this side here. Okay. Then over here you have sticker packs and I guess available stickers as well. You can probably have both.
Okay.
So that way you can just look at them, see what you have, and then when you look through the cards, if you hover over it, it'll tell you like what stickers or sticker packs are applicable to that card. Like it would be like a little tooltip.
Okay.
Maybe.
I'm gonna write this down.
Okay. And then when you click on the card, it does what you said, where it like slams it down, and then you can pick what sticker or sticker pack you want to use.
Yeah. So binder shows all cards. In Forge, this only shows one half of the binder on the left side of screen. And then when you select a card or right side of screen, it shows available stickers / packs. When you set on hover, it shows you the stickers that it can apply.
That's what I was thinking. So you don't have to like click on it. Like you can just see from a glance like, oh. Or maybe what we could do is when you hover over it, it like highlights the or like grays out stickers or sticker packs that you can't apply to that card. Like on the right side, how it shows all the but that would also make it if you for some reason had like more stickers or sticker packs than you could show on one screen, which I feel like wouldn't be likely.
I was thinking this, we could have it so if you have no cards selected, when you hover, it shows the ones that are available, and then whenever you click on a card, it will lock as that card unless you unselect that card by clicking on it, or if you click on a different card.
Yeah.
Okay. When you hover...
And another thing is for the sticker packs, actually now that I think about it, so I think if you click on a card, it would tell you what like packs or stickers are applicable on the right side, and then you could click on one of those stickers or sticker packs to apply it to that card.
Give me a second.
And then it would pull up the animation. Let me think. Thinking. Bro's typing.
Yeah, okay, what'd you say?
Okay, so... this is an additional thing, is the sticker packs. We could also make it that you, if you want to, you can just open it, not for a specific card, and it just gives you a random sticker. Like, completely random.
Let me think about that for a moment.
Maybe. I don't know.
What would be the purpose of that? Why would you do that rather than putting it on a specific card?
I don't know. Yeah, now that I think about it, doesn't make sense.
It's not a terrible idea. I'm trying to like figure out like why.
Yeah.
When would that be useful? When would that be desirable?
Because
I'm like, if you want to upgrade a weapon, you would want it to be on a weapon, and you'd probably know which weapon it's going to be. I guess so. It could be useful. The one I will say a couple of things that could be useful for that. Let's say you've got a weapon-specific sticker pack, and you want to open it up, and you want to apply it, but the upgrade that could come out of it is either like a flat damage increase or like a percentage damage increase.
Yeah, I think it could be useful, like if that way you could decide what card you want to put it on after you get it, so you could see what you get and then pick the card. So you can either I'm trying to think. So you can kind of either gamble the pack and pick the card, or pick the card and gamble the pack.
Yeah.
Is kind of how I'm thinking. Because if you select a pack or a specific card and then open a sticker pack for that, you're locked to that card, but you can pick the sticker pack. If you open the sticker pack first, you can pick the card, but you're locked to the sticker pack. Or to whichever sticker you get. So it's kind of like do you want to know what card you're putting it on, or do you want to know what sticker you're getting?
Yeah, okay, I can see that. Allow sticker packs to be opened separately.
I didn't think of that at all, but that is actually kind of useful.
I'm thinking for this, so we have a couple of ways we can go about this. We can either make it so that whenever you open the sticker pack and you get a sticker out of it, you have to apply it to a card immediately, or we can make it so where you have to, whenever you open it, you can pick the sticker and it puts it into your inventory. You can apply it later.
I think it should go into your inventory, because that would also allow for if you want to collect a bunch of stickers and then make like a build for like a super powerful card or something like that. I think that'll be fun to be able to like have a perfect build of whichever stickers you want to put on a specific card.
I see. Yeah, no, that's okay. I'm okay with that. This allows you to either select the card. I'm gonna put this back on my screen.
Yeah.
So you didn't
So,
select card
okay, good.
and get a guaranteed useful sticker for it. Or select open the pack and decide which card to put it on after.
And I think for the packs, I'm trying to think. Would we want it to be a sticker that you can guarantee put on one of your cards?
Sorry, what?
Would we want it to be a
Like
sticker?
if you just open a random pack?
Yeah. I feel like
No.
no. Like I
think
feel
if
like you
you're
should be able
taking
to
that
get
chance
any
to try to
sticker that
figure out,
comes
like-
out of that pack, yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, if you are taking the chance, you should be able to get any of the stickers that
Yeah.
are available for
Oh,
that pack.
another thing that we should have somewhere, we don't have to do this like immediately or anytime soon, but have a way to view what packs drop what stickers.
Yeah, I think that's fine.
But I think it should be after you unlock,
ooh.
after you find the sticker. So if you open a pack
was
and
thinking
find a
that, yeah.
sticker, yeah, it'll tell you that, oh, now you know that this sticker comes from this pack.
Yeah, I think we could list them as like question marks or something like that you don't already know about it.
Or maybe, actually, I think it should be based off of the sticker. So once you find a sticker, it'll tell you what packs that sticker comes from.
I think both is fine.
Yeah.
I think,
like, I think...
Like, let's say you're at a shop and you've got a choice between two packs. I would want to know what stickers could come out of that.
Yeah.
And what their chances are, maybe.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, we'd probably show the chances. I'm fine with that. I think I'd rather do that because people would go to the wiki anyways. So
yeah.
Saying we would have a wiki is insane. But
there
so for example,
might be a wiki someday.
Let's see. Let me add a thing real quick. Use case. Excuse me. Card first. Pack after. Versus pack first. Card after. So for the card first, pack after, if you want a guaranteed upgrade for a card, you can select it and open the pack. This will may not. If you don't want any of the resulting stickers, it will be discarded. All that they will be discarded. But you are guaranteed to get a sticker that can be applied to this card.
Nerdlytic.
So that's. I'm just trying to I'm writing down use cases.
Yes,
that
this
makes
is
a lot
very
more
helpful.
sense than we can just do a thing.
Mm-hmm.
And then for this one, if you want to, if you had, I'll say for example, if you had a card that worked best with flat damage upgrade, and a card that worked best with percentage, there is a chance you'd get the opposite upgrade or the opposite ideal upgrade if you selected the card first. Opening the pack first allows you to find out which upgrade you would get, and would let you select the correct card to upgrade. However, this doesn't guarantee that you get a valid upgrade for either card, since it can pull from any stickers the pack can generate, I guess. Okay, that makes sense, because there's drawbacks to both. The drawback for this one is you aren't guaranteed the best sticker, but you're guaranteed at least a sticker, so you can upgrade. This one is it kind of helps narrow down a choice, because it could feel like shit if you had one that could do a flat damage, one that could do a percent damage, and you kind of had the 50-50 which one you picked, and then it gave you the opposite upgrade.
Yeah.
That would feel like shit. But opening the pack, you could figure out, you could see, oh, it gave me a flat upgrade, I'm going to use that against the flat card or whatever. But it also means that there's a chance that you don't get an upgrade that you can use, or that you would even want to use. So that makes sense. That's a good point. I didn't think about that. I like that.
Yeah, and
That
do we
kinda adds a
want
little
both
bit
of them to be pick one of three? I feel like we kind of have to, because like we
Yes.
love pick one of three.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
They both. I was assuming that
Mm-hmm.
these were basically the same. Like whenever you pick the pack first, it just opens the 3,
Yeah.
and then you could pick one and it would put it in your inventory. And then if you were to pick the card first in the pack, it would give you the 3, and then you would pick one and it would put it on the card.
Yeah. And if we really wanted to, we could even be like Balatro and have like mega packs or something like that. They have pick more. Like pick one of 4 or something like that. If we wanted to.
I think for something like that, we could do a. That's a very strong relic, though. I was like, we could do the relic, but that would be a very, very strong one to just make all the packs. We could have it be like a percentage chance when you open a pack that it's an extra card. That could be fun.
I don't know if I'm not a big fan of like random chance like that.
Fair enough. Yeah, no, I hate games with random chance in them.
Yeah, and that also gives us more options for like, because I want to have different types of packs. So that's
we're not making
just
a roguelike.
more types of packs to add.
Yeah. I hate games with random chance in them as we're making a
Okay,
fucking,
you know
like,
what I
roguelike.
meant. Like, that's just a weird thing to have a random chance. Like, there's a random chance to... That's like saying there's a random chance to take damage every single time you open a chest.
Yeah.
Or like
No,
a
I get
Neon
it.
Abyss where the doors with the slot machine doors. So you pay 5 coins to roll the slot machine to see if it'll open the door. It also just has a random chance to blow up and hurt you.
Kind of fire.
It's like actually so bad.
Kind of fire?
Like, it's really funny, but it's kind of terrible.
Oh, where's the map? Where's the map?
It's under the
Because
sauce.
I hid this. It's under the sauce. Where's the fucking map? Where are you? Where are you? And I'm so sorry. Here's the map. Hello, map. Where's the map? Oh, the text is like off center as fuck. Hi, we're literally about to end stream.
We're about to end stream.
Hello. 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 Help. Why are you? Okay, whatever. I don't care if you're fucked up. It's debug text. Who cares? So the reason that I need this to be hidden is because I wanted to hide the everything, but well, no, this should be calling. What? The f do you mean? I don't understand. I don't understand it. I don't get it.
I really be spitting
Blows my
facts
mind.
tonight.
True. Like, why is the sub report gone? And then if I do it a second time, it's back. Like, it's because I unhid it. It's because I didn't unhide it first. I have to unhide it first. I have to, and then because it doesn't update whenever it's not visible. Yeah, I know. I know. Perhaps. Yeah, because I was. Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
See, it doesn't work. Oh, it's not even working at all now, actually. Where's the fucking sub viewport, buddy? Where did you go? It's under the sauce. Where did you go?
Meow. Meow.
True.
Meow.
Why
Meow.
in the fuck? Brother, I need to like
Meow.
get
Meow. Sorry. Meow. Sorry.
got it.
Sorry.
I know I can do this. This is fine. This is, oh wait, no. Honor. Oh no, yeah, you're right. You're right, and you're right, and that's fine. What the fuck, dude? Why is this not working? I don't understand. there's the minimap, and then it's gone. It's dead. Who did this?
That was me. Sorry, I ate it.
Why did you ate it? Don't do that.
Oh, I got hungry. I'm sorry.
So you gotta go. You've been in your PC for a little bit longer though. If you want to see the famous stuff, I appreciate it. Maybe not tonight though, because I want to play some Rivals.
Yeah, maybe not tonight, because I want to play some Rivals. Not Marvel Rivals.
Not Marvel Rivals. Yeah. Oh shit! It's you. It's you. Right? I think it's you. Maybe. Let's find out. I'll fix this bug off stream if this doesn't fix it. But it's at a point that I'm happy with, so. It doesn't fix it. Whatever. Who cares? Okay. Well, minimap's in. Check that out. Ooh, you can zoom into the minimap and you can look at the rooms and you can zoom back out. And you can hit tab and it goes back to this.
That is very cool.
Yippee. It is. I actually really, really like this. It feels pretty good.
And then you can click on the things and then you'll teleport.
Yeah, you can definitely click on the things right now. That's why I'm thinking that like middle mouse should be drag and then clicking on it should be the one that teleported you, but like I don't know. Button on the keyboard,
I don't remember what the
E over it, but
what are the controls for Gungeon? For like teleporting,
Yeah,
I forget.
we'll
Is it just right click?
I don't know. We'll check it later.
We'll figure it out. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you all for hanging out.
Yeah. We should probably figure
probably
out
wasn't
rating
looking for
anybody.
a person to stream.
No, of course I wasn't.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Silk Song is coming out soon. Crazy. Also, you're not a sadist for watching someone program. That's like normal. I watch people program.
Yeah, it's normal. All right, bro. All right. Wrap it up.
Okay, I have. Yeah, do you have anyone in mind?
No. Do you?
We can just read Jitspo. We rated Jitspo.
Yeah, we can rate Jitspo.
Need the name? Need the username?
No, I got it. I can spell Jitspo. There we go. All
right.
And the raid is on.
Yeah, good night.
Good night, everybody.
We are going to head out. We're going to be back on Thursday. I'm going probably.
Yeah.
I don't think I have anything on Thursday.
I don't have anything on Thursday.
But yeah, we'll be back on Thursday, 6:30 p.m. EST. I will have the schedule posted, or not the schedule. I'll have like a scheduled stream on my YouTube after the stream. So I will catch you guys later. Take care. Good night.
Good night, everybody.
And I hope you guys have a good night.
Meow. Bye.
Yippee.
Yippee.